Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Terry Strawberry Wagwan. Well, people, welcome up, and I juggling is a little party and thing. I just I can play a little music for you to the scene. Just a little music for you to the. Just a little music for you to the. Yeah, it's 100,000 follower celebration and things, so. Jimmy, I go forward. Jimmy, I go play some Lovers Rock and all them something there. But me is a souls man, you know. So, watch you right there, you know. I move this. Yeah. Jimmy, what go on? Jimmy.
Yo.
What go on? You good?
Yeah, give me a test and everything, son.
People, me I go play the souls them. He's a souls man. Watch you right. Come. Bombard, you know.
My love,
Tell me how it sound.
there's only you in my life.
Tell me how it sound.
Go volume to it.
The only
Look, if I look at volume.
thing that's right.
All right, man, bring it up.
My first love,
Remember, so that song you
man,
start
sorry,
low,
you
you
don't
know.
your every breath that I take,
Jimmy, remember, so that song you start low, though, you know.
every step
yeah,
I make.
And I want to share all my love with you. No one else will do.
And your eyes, they tell me how much you care. Oh, yeah.
What you say, Jimmy? Eh?
No, it's a good man.
All right.
My endless love.
Dedicated to my TamFam ladies. Just know it's a rag, I go love you endlessly. Anybody trouble on them, beat up one of them.
Hearts,
Jimmy, what you say? You talk to me?
two
Eh?
Work, man, work.
All right.
That's it. No, it's
our lives have just begun. I'll hold you close in my arms.
I'm going to bring you up inside the 80s.
I can't resist your charm.
Then I'm going to go over to the 90s. I remember Jimmy play some 80s lovers rap before me go to the 90s. What you say, Jimmy?
any game can play.
All
Whether
right.
souls or reggae, because we got souls too.
Well, you know, I say, I'm not the selector, you know. Me just play a tune. I'm the name selector. I just play a tune. Well, it's a big respect to all my TamFamers, especially my TamFam ladies.
I know
In the meantime,
found in you
my ladies, what me say?
my endless love.
What's the ride? It is with it, you know. Bombard, you know.
Silly of me to think that I could ever have you for my God. How I love you.
I say some of them young people don't know them big tune here, you know.
How I want you.
When me 80s, 90s people, them there.
Silly of me to think that you could ever really want me to. How I love you. You're just a lover I just score.
And I know that.
I know that I should be looking for more.
What could it be?
What could it be in you I see? What could it be? Oh,
now follow me at same way.
Silly of me to think that you could ever know the things I do are all done for you.
Bombard the boss, Chumpy coming out the place. The woman them in a trouble now.
Silly of me,
Chumpy in the building.
the time to comb my hair and pour the wine and know you're not there. You're just a lover I just called, and I know that I should be looking for more.
Some 80s R&B.
Could it be in you I see?
Oh, yeah, man.
What could it be? Oh love, stop making a fool of me.
Ladies, rest your right hand on your right leg and gently massage it.
Oh love, stop making a fool of me.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
I had some problems, and no one could seem to solve them. But you found the answer. You told me to take this chance
That's right.
and learn the ways of love, my baby, and all that it has to offer. In time you will see that love won't let you down. You said that you loved me, said hurt only came to pass me. It sounded so convincing that I gave it half a chance and learned the ways of love, my baby. There is so much love inside me, and all that I have, I give my all to you. All
Where my singers at? Let me hear you now. Let me hear you now.
and all this love is waiting for you, my baby, my darling. And all my love is waiting for you.
Dilly dally, come dilly dally over here, son.
Oh, I had some problems, and no one could seem to solve them.
Let's have some R&B.
But you found the answer.
But ever keep it nice and jiggy.
So I gave it half a chance to learn the ways of love, my
Bounce
baby,
a little too
and
low.
all that it has
Bring it
to
down,
offer. And all that I have, I give my all to you. All my love, baby.
I've been alone with you inside my mind,
Somebody cuss a big bad word.
and in my dreams I've kissed your lips 1,000 times.
Raga no soul.
I sometimes see you pass outside my door.
What about him say?
Hello, is it me you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes, I can see it in your smile. You're all I've ever wanted, and my arms are open wide. 'Cause you know just what to say, and you know just what to do. And I want to tell you so much. I love you.
TamFam, we're celebrating more than 100,000 followers. Want to say big thank you. I make you play some music in celebration of the achievement. Yeah.
I long to see the sunlight in your hair.
And tell you what.
And tell you time and time again how much I care. Sometimes I feel my heart will overflow.
CeeLo, I love you too.
Hello, I've just got to let you know.
I love you, Letitia.
'Cause I wonder where you are, and I wonder what you do.
Are you somewhere?
Are you somewhere feeling lonely? Or is someone loving you?
Miss Lothian, big up yourself.
Tell me how to win your heart.
Chef Lothian, big up yourself.
I haven't got a clue, but let me start by saying I love you.
People want to remind you that tomorrow I'll be by Chef Lothian. She got 2 restaurants. The one on Sutphin Boulevard, it's all about the fish fry. Jeans and white fish fry. Sutphin Boulevard. Tomorrow afternoon with Auntie Dana, Chef Lothian. Get there, you know. Watch the ride. The next song is one of my favorite from this era. The next song is one of my favorite from this era. I want to play it. I want to hear all you ladies sing.
Hello,
I want you sing. Even if you want to sing for Chumpy.
you looking?
All right, watch the ride.
'Cause I wonder where you.
Room 1, big up for yourself, see him with
And I wonder what you do.
Miss and ladies, I want to sing the next song.
Somewhere feeling lonely. Someone loving you.
Queen Natalie, you're cute too.
Your heart, for I haven't got a clue. But let me start by saying,
Ladies, TamFam ladies,
I love you.
I love you. This is one of my favorite from this era. Young people, you're not gonna know that one, you know, so just sit back and be school. Young people, you're not gonna know that one, you sit back and be school. You're good too now.
If I had to live my life without you near me, the days would all be empty. The nights would seem so long.
I wanna know about them, Junior.
With you I see forever, oh so clearly. I might have been in love.
What you say there, Jimmy?
Run it back, run it back, run it back, run
What
it
you
back.
say? Pull up this.
I felt this strong.
No wrong with it, man.
Jimmy, me no know phone music, you know.
Yes,
I don't know the thing, you know.
No,
But
no,
when
no,
it come to souls, 80s, 90s soul, give me my respect.
If I had to live my life without you near me,
Now, man, on the send in the money, pull up, I don't know.
all be empty. The nights would seem so long.
Sure.
With you I see forever, oh so clearly. I might have been in love before.
Ladies, more I hear the whole I want to sing when the chorus come in.
This strong. Our dreams are young and we both know they'll take us where we want to go.
Hold me.
Hold me now, touch me now. I don't want to live without you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you.
No! Me say them little people and them don't know about them, Junior. Me say them little people don't know about them, Big Junior.
If I had to live my life without you near me,
Squeaky, me see how working on Squeaky.
all be empty.
And I know it work at a long time.
Nights would seem so long.
Over time.
You I see forever, oh so clearly.
Stay tuned, Jimmy coming at you with some Lovers Rock.
In love
Make sure so now follow Jimmy Q too, you know. Follow Jimmy Q.
felt this strong. Our dreams are young and we both know they'll take us where we want to go. Hold me now, touch me now.
nah change, nah switch. Loyal, defend you.
The road ahead is not so easy. Our love will lead the way for us, like a guiding star. I'll be there for you if you should need me. You don't have to change a thing.
I started
I
out
love you just the way you are.
in the 80s.
So come with me and share the view. I'll help you see forever too. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't want to live without you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. The world may change my whole life through, but nothing's gonna change my love for you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love.
Everybody needs a little time away.
Somebody cuss a bad word.
Nah, man, you go too hard now.
Man, tell them to play with me when it comes to school.
Each other.
Yes, man.
Even lovers need a holiday.
I don't mean to be rude. Ladies, I don't mean to be rude.
From each other.
But we're gonna know the panty moist and song them.
Little time
That's
away. I had to say. From each other.
Even lovers,
Even lovers need a holiday.
far away.
Far away from each other. Hold me now. It's hard for me to say I'm sorry. I just want you to stay. After all that we've been through, I will make it up to you.
I promise you.
I promise to. And after all that's been said and done, you're just a part of me I can't let go.
5 more, we make Jimmy come in with some lovers rock.
Couldn't stand to be kept away just for the day from your body. Wouldn't wanna be swept away, far away from the one that I love. Oh, now it's hard for me to say I'm sorry. I just want you to know. Hold me now. I really wanna tell you I'm sorry. I could never let you go. After all that we've been through, I will make it up to you. I promise to. And after all that's been said and done, you're just a part of me I can't let go. After all that we've been through, I will make it up to
Again, I
you.
just want to say big thank you, big thank you to everybody who follow me, and we're here celebrating 100,000 followers. I think I don't know. No, watch out, Jimmy, I give me ratings. The big selector give me ratings. The big selector give me ratings. Yes. 4 more and then Jimmy play some lovers rap. Watch me, lady.
That is it. That
What you
is
say?
it.
What
That
you
is
mean?
it. That is
I'm
it.
on something, man. I'm where my ladies them say.
Girl, you are to me all that a woman should be, and I dedicate my life to you always.
A love like yours is rare. It must have been sent from up above, and I know you'll stay this way for always. And we both know that our love will grow, and forever it will be you and me. Ooh, you're like the sun, chasing all of the rain away. When you come around, you bring brighter days. You're the perfect one for me, and you forever will be. And I will love you so for always.
Come with me, my sweet.
Let's go make a family.
Let's go make a family.
And then
They will bring us joy
for always.
for always.
3 more and then Jimmy.
Oh boy, I love you so. I can't find enough ways to let you know, but you can be sure I'm yours for always. And we both know that our love will grow, and forever it will be you and me. Ooh, you're like the sun, chasing all of the rain away. When you come around, you bring brighter days.
The next song is the second greatest bonus song.
For me,
The next song that I'll play
and I will
is the second greatest morning song ever R&B. At least in the world of Jamaicans. TamFamers. I said, the next song that I'll play is the second greatest burning song ever in the world of Jamaicans. The next song. Somebody call somebody.
Here we are, two
Better up with it.
Jimmy, what you say? What you say? What you say?
Run.
Maxine, big up yourself.
Here we are, the two of us together, taking this crazy chance to be all
Two
alone.
more and then Jimmy with the lovers rock.
We both know that we should not be together, 'cause if we found out, it could mess up
For happy woman.
both our happy homes.
I hate to think about us all meeting up
Where
together.
my TamFam singers at?
As soon as I look at you, it will show on my face. Yeah. Then they'll know that we've been loving each other. We can't let them know. No, no, no. We can't leave a trace.
I do nothing all day but think about you and hope that you're okay. Hoping you'll call before anyone gets home. I'll wait anxiously alone by the phone.
How could something so wrong be so right? I wish we didn't have to keep our love outside. Yeah. Living two lives just ain't easy.
Okay, I want to hear you all sing now.
We gotta
I
have
want to hear you all sing now.
honey.
I want to hear the whole of us sing through the computer now. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Secret lovers, that's what we are. Trying so hard to hide the way we feel. 'Cause we both belong to someone else, but we can't let go. 'Cause what we feel is all so real. So real, so real. You and me, are we fair? Is this cool, or do we care? Can they tell what's in our minds? Maybe they've had secret loves all of the time.
In the middle of making love, we notice the
Time. We both get nervous 'cause it's way after night.
Even though we hate it, we know it's time that we go. We gotta be careful so that no one will know.
in at it, in at it, in at it, in at it, in at it.
Secret lovers,
Yeah.
that's what we are. We shouldn't be together, but we can't let go. 'Cause what we feel
It's all so real.
so real, so real, so real, so real.
Two more and then Jimmy. Stepping into the 90s with attitude. Stepping into. No, I think this is late 80s, you know. In the meantime, watch it. That little short lady.
If I never hear I love you now and then,
Say, hold them, Raga.
will I never make the
People dog bites, if we pull up that one. Dog bites say that tune have to pull up on my brother that if him say it pull up, it have to pull up. Tune.
If I never feel you in my arms again,
One more and then Jimmy.
if I never feel your tender kiss again, if I never hear I love you now and then, will I never make love to you once again? Please understand, if love is, then I promise you that I shall never breathe again, that I shall never breathe again. And I can't stop thinking about the way things used to be. And I can't stop thinking about the love that you made to me. And I can't get you out of my head. How in the world would I begin to let you walk right out my life and blow my heart away? And I can't stop caring about the apple of my eye. And I
Again, I just want to say big respect to all my TamFamers, especially my TamFam ladies.
my life.
And again, big thank you to everybody who
And I
make we cross the 100,000 followers there.
that I won't die. do this, I do
And we're here celebrating.
again. If I never feel you in my arms again.
Big respect to all the subscribers over here.
If I never feel your tender kiss again. If I never hear I love you now and then. Will I never make love to you once again? Please, please understand. If love is
Special big up to all the ladies in clean underwear.
promise you, I promise you that I shall never breathe again, that I shall never breathe.
And Raga loves you too, Tass. Alright, we're now OD one more and then Jimmy and Ting. Let me see which one if we play here now. One more. You know, I'm going to switch this. No. Me come back with start with that. I'm going to play this.
Options, man.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah, man.
And then when it souls, you know, I can hype. Because that's the genre when I know. I know. Well, I know old reggae.
Now we can't lose with souls.
Yeah, they can't lose with souls. They can't lose with souls and things. So people make a play that one. That one you like an anthem amongst Jamaicans, you know. You have some soul. You can't go wrong with souls with Jamaicans, you know. Jamaicans love them some souls. Enough people don't even know this. It's when we come to America, Jimmy, and hear black people did a burn out country music and them said, you know, are them people that who not like, you know, whatever. Even though black people start country music and thing. Them people who call themselves cowboy without knowing that the term cowboy, black people started, it was a derogatory term for black people who work with the cows. Them, you know, you didn't know that?
Yep.
Yeah, I saw the term cowboy come out, you know. And of course, as
Then
usual,
them appropriate it.
And you see Beyonce go do her country album,
Oh, Lord.
and them a beat Beyonce and a chop, but them want to come take away everything from we. And you check out the PBS documentary. It's fully right there. It's black people start country music. and
Kenny
thing.
Rogers there.
Yeah.
Don't forget Marty Robbins too.
No, man, we're going to drive them. No, but we have
Oh, man,
selections, you know. Okay, we have selections. Hello, come on now.
Come on,
And this is not a one-night affair, but Chumpy will know them something. The Chumpy will know the ladies tune them, you know, because, you know, he has an history there, you know. So, here we go. I'm going to play that one here because that one here from, I think, late 80s, 90s, somewhere around there, so that one here too, you know, but, 90s. I think. Right, but Jamaicans love this song, yeah, you know, for them thing, all right?
I'm so glad.
Ladies, I want to hear you sing.
I will never find another lover sweeter than you, sweeter than you.
Where my ladies, them there?
And I will never find another lover more precious than you, more precious than you. Girl, you are close to me, you like my mother. Close to me, you like my father. Close to me, you like my sister. Close to me, you like my brother. And you are the only one.
TamFam ladies, let me hear you sing now.
So I sing all my life. I pray for someone like you. And I thank God that I finally found you. All my life, I pray for someone like you. And I hope that you feel the same way too. Yes, I pray that you do love me too. I said you're all that I'm thinking of, baby. Said I promised to never fall in love with a stranger. You're all I'm thinking of. I praise the Lord above for sending me love.
Babesy Joy says she's a single woman and she can't stay here, so.
Love you.
All right, I know she'll get miserable.
Baby, baby, I pray for someone like
Body I get heated.
you. And I thank
Body I get charged up.
that I finally found
Babes, it's all about self-reliance until you find a man. Nothing wrong if you drive for your rose. Hope me a top draw, Bibsy.
Yes, I pray that you do love me. You're all that I ever know. When you smile on my face, all I see is a glow. You turn my life around. You pick me up when I was down.
When you say Trudy, you want that dancer?
All that I ever know. When you smile, face glow.
Come on, baby, come press up on me.
You're all that I ever know. When you smile, face glow. You picked me up when I was down, and I hope that you.
Bibs Joy says she don't use the rose. All right, take it down low again. We're here celebrating 100,000 followers right here. Once enough respect to all my subscribers, all 47 of you. I think it's 47 or something like so. 47, yeah. Yeah, somewhere there's some whatever, like 3 from 50, you know. And we're here partying tonight. It's all about some. Eh?
3 more candles running, I run it out.
All right, then. See, Trudy, you just put September 30th or September 20th if you put your finger slip off of the 2 and go up on the 3. Yeah, man, it goes some, man. People, big respect, man. Bless upon yourself. Everything is everything. We give thanks. We're here enjoying life, celebrating goodness in the midst of all kind of stress and pressures out there on a macro level in society, and also respectively in your respective lives. You have your unique personal little things them will not juggle with and all them thing, but big up on yourself, you know. Remember, you have to engage in some reprieve, you know. You have to engage in some escape, all right? You see what Trudy type? Trudy body, not Jimmy. That's what Trudy type.
You know, me can't be dyslexic.
Yeah, Trudy say slippery when me see you. Yeah, Trudy full of lyrics, you know. No, sir. Trudy, if you're more talented otherwise the way you're talented with lyrics, boom, nah, then Trudy a danger, you know, Jimmy. Trudy look like one of them people you can't go there. We don't look at Dalios approach, you know. You have to come good, yeah. Come good. No pun intended. Come good. Oh, look, we got another subscriber. Millie Dollar. Big up yourself, Millie Dollar. Everything is everything. Wait there. What is up? Oh, yes, it's true. Me take down. Oh, see it up there. Yeah, 48. Me see it now. 48 with it. Yo, give it 2 more subscribers and I'll make we go 50. Yeah, just give it 2 more subscribers. 2 more people subscribe, for real. Because I think TikTok does something like open up something when you reach 50.
Yeah, it do that, plus it give you a gift to give out an extra sub.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, something like that. What are them something?
If it reach 50?
Let's see now. I only want to find out.
Yeah. Okay. All right, 2 more subscribers tonight, at least, you know? At least. Sure. All right, in the meantime, people, don't say, you know, right, I know, if you don't know me and thing, you don't say, all these years when you don't know me, Karen Robin, no, my baby daddy, right?
See that one more there?
One more coming? No? No.
One just coming.
You sure?
Yeah, man.
Oh, Millionaire Greenland. Okay, we have 49. All right. No, hold on. Give it 1 more subscriber. One more somebody subscribe. Before we bring. See that? Tas.
Yeah, we do the next minutes.
Tas. Look who subscribe! Jimmy, we got a lead now, you know. We got a lead now. The boss Chumpy subscribe. We got a lead right there. Nobody can chat to it. See, the boss Chumpy subscribe there until nobody can chat to it. You understand? What them say? What time people say, show me your company and I tell you who you are. And Jimmy, you have to be careful, you know. You want to hear I say, oh, so I say, yeah, embrace this Trumpy thing. Like, seriously, we need to have a conversation.
I'm check
Yeah. Well, people, Big up on yourself, man. Once enough respect to the subscriber, them and thing. Thanks for Trudy Brown come in there. Jimmy, before when the show done, we're gonna have a subscriber only.
And
You
then
know, party. Yeah, we are forgetting them on party. Them are going good. Them are going good. And in the subscriber party, we can get more. Can go look hard. You understand what I say? Yeah, we have to go look hard. No, people, them are subscribe. Them if we can get, you know. Karen said, "How do I sub?" Oh, them not have the them not just see the
the
button.
yellow star, man, on the left.
The yellow star on the left.
It's a yellow star, yeah.
Pan for them left.
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
I'm talking to the viewers now, so if you're on your phone, it's the lower left, it's the yellow star.
A yellow star on your lower left, Jimmy say, that's how you subscribe, all right? Big up yourself. So while more on our subscribe and on the day and all these things, you see we I tell you about the way it named the Jimmy. You see when I tell you about yeah, when you're in at the thing, it hold back. But when you're on the phone or the tablet, but you did tell me though, you did tell me from the beginning though. You did tell me from the beginning. So sometimes it pushes and thing. But oh, somebody said it's a white star.
Yeah, your one white, my one yellow, me no know why. Oh, because I already subscribed, right?
Oh, probably I saw. Yeah.
Oh, I know it says send subscription to others. So if you already subscribed, you could send somebody a subscription. Yeah.
Oh, I saw it go. No, Jimmy, you're right. People are say yellow.
Yeah, but some say white, some say orange.
No, but well, me no know.
I don't mind it's orange or yellow or whatever the color is.
That here one is well, it's yellow. Well, you see, everybody has say either yellow or white, but Del Marina the only person who say orange. She's from the ANC. She's from the ANC. Them Edna too, you know. Yeah. No, well, you see, you because you're compromised, though. They're compromised. You know, when the spy company them recruit somebody, when the spy company them recruit somebody, them use compromising information and say you have to spy for way or else we're gonna reveal this. So you see it, you make them go find out things about you. Yeah.
I refuse to respond on grounds that it may incriminate me. So.
Yo, Richard said, you see, me have to rate some of them man, you know, from Jamaica days, me rate them man. They say Richard post, my wife likes your show. You see it?
Oh.
Yeah. No, you have to respect that.
See that.
Because on the other side, you know, you have man who hate me because them woman like my show, you know.
Remember, you had like the first time Dexter Daps, you know.
No, I was never on Dexter level. No. Dexter is Dexter in a league by himself, right? You know? Dexter in a league by himself. Anyway, people, in the meantime, it's all about the 100,000 followers party we have right now. And right now, me telling us the people don't notice I'm not hang out. You know, I'm not in a place I'm hang out. You know, see me walk with no crew and all them something. They don't see me on road all the while and all them thing there, right? I saw me juggle my thing, you know. Keep my thing circumspect and things, seeing. But me have some party. Also, somebody else subscribe. They're proper. Big up on yourself. Okay? Right? But me have a look at charge of them and thing. I'm a par with loyal people, principle, people who stand on principle. DJ Chris Cross. Because you there. Right? Watch a millionaire Greenland. No, him upgrade to something. Because you have levels, right?
Yeah, man.
So I'm upgrading subscription, man thing, right? DJ Chris Cross, and you see that you out here Jamaica, boy, I know, Jimmy, you know, say I don't meet your parents yet, you know.
You know what I mean? I just picked them up at the airport.
You just picked them up at the airport?
Yeah, man.
Tell your parents them say, Ragashanti rate them. Because in all the years me know you, you're kind, you're generous, you know, in a war thing, you're principled, you're God-fearing, right? You're good youth, you do what you can for people and whatever. You have manners, you have respect, you respect woman and thing and whatever, you understand? All in your days when you did single and the woman them a draw you away and all by that, limb by limb and thing, you hold it and you respect woman. Jimmy, me I tell you, big and serious, you know. Me rate you and respect you. I know say your parents and raise you right. So tell them say, I real thing me I tell you, you. Tell them say, I say rate things to them. All right? Big up on the family and things, seeing. So people are them people I'm a roll with and things, seeing. right? I'm much older than them still, you know, but
And a big brother,
well,
man,
not
for
yeah,
man,
you know,
longer
but
time, you know.
but then me could you tell me can say, man, I look a problem with that something. All right, Father Raga, that Jamaica. All right, Father Raga, no worry, you see me dip on the road with the lady and things. So when I pull over on this, always dead and thing, always dead and thing. You see it? So in the meantime,
I can say something though.
yes, man.
I'm have to say it. I'm a rate boy. Yo.
What?
Flowers. Flowers. You always give people the flowers. No joke. And we didn't have any bag of argument.
Yeah.
But yeah, respect and
For real,
appreciation.
for real. Well,
Yeah, man, you always give credit where credit due.
see that? Nah, man. Have to, and thing. So Jimmy.
Yeah, man, go ball and come back here, man.
So watch it right now, people. Jimmy I come with some lovers rock. Take it away, my look, bro.
Yeah, people, if you're not familiar with the streams, fan, yeah, so TikTok or whatever.
And follow him. All I want to follow him.
Yeah, give me a follow, respect.
Yeah, follow him.
Everybody who know me, and the family there, right, so I watch now to know the barista man, an artist. So we can go lovers rock and don't start with the barista man. You understand? I think we can take it from this and go whatever, but yeah, there's someone OJ.
Maybe train we couldn't steal my honey. Maybe try but couldn't get in love.
Classic Mary.
Some fool that tried to trick away his money. Turn around and wonder what she is made of. She just loves this groovy little thing we got going. You will last as long as her heart's so beating. She just loves this groovy little thing we got going. You will last as long as her heart's so beating. For the third time this week, I think I'm gonna win the goal and say,
Remember September.
I leave
September Raga. Queens.
I hope we never get tired, and I never have to go to work. No one knocking on the door, disrespecting the notice girl. Sorry, no baby crying.
Jimmy, see one of them say we need a fire emoji. Cheryl Bless say we need a fire emoji.
I got you. I think I'm gonna wear all this.
For the third time this week, I think I'm gonna wear the full insect. I leave you not losing my mind. I hope we never get tired, and I never have to go to work. No one knocking on the door, disrespecting the notice girl. Sorry, no baby crying, and no heart blowing. Just a whisper of a voice. Oh. Now I may not be familiar with your language, but I sure would like to cross over your bridge. Said I made a dressing style as the man in your town do, but I sure know what to say. I love you.
Classic sounds from yesteryear.
Even when
Get the next sub. Let's get the next one.
you
Fine
happy
wine,
when
big up yourself, fine wine, large up yourself, big up all of my subscribers. No, sir.
I'm just a stranger in your town. Once in a while I pop around.
Cooker, big up yourself.
Tell her try your best just to make it quick.
You know.
100 key. Thank you guys. Thank you.
Tell her try your best just to make it quick. Go match into the sick. Cause there must be something she can do. This heart is broken in two.
I said tell her.
Tell her it's a case of emergency. There's a patient by the name of
Ragashanti.
Night nurse.
Miss Savage Sauce, the man know a tune, and that me I tell you.
Only you alone can quench this thirst. My night nurse. Oh gosh.
Oh, the pain is getting worse.
I want to see a doctor. You know why?
I don't wanna see no doctor.
I need
attendance from my nurse
around the clock.
Cause there's no prescription for me. She's the one, the only remedy. Night nurse. Only you alone can quench this thirst. The silence will creep on. Light down. It will make you run until you wanna cry. Put yourself, make you wanna
One of the sweetest voices out of Jamaica.
love get a hold on you
Like a thief in the night.
stealing.
Crown Prince of reggae music.
If you can accept not a criticism, then you know you're on your way. If you can accept on your journey, you know it's again and again. Hold on to what you got. What you got. Hold on to what you got. Hold on to
What we have is something special.
Queen Nash, big up yourself.
You. What we have is something special. To you I'll give my all and all. My love is unconditional.
Check.
Good things come to those who wait. So your love was worth. My life is complete. Now I'm found.
Big up to all the gifters. Thank you guys. See?
No need to search no
Tap and keep sharing. We're there.
I'll find what I'm looking for. You got the real thing, baby. In you I have no doubts. This is what it's all about. You got the real thing, baby.
go mad. It's not go normal. It's gonna be a movie.
Things that I see. I want
Just mad.
with you.
Big respect to you, Delicious. Delicious. Turn it up, Jimmy. Turn it up.
I wanna wake up with you.
See that they go every time.
There when you open your eyes, I want you to be the first thing that I see. I wanna wake up with you.
Run it back.
True, the way you say.
I wanna wake up with you.
True, the way you say. Why we want to wake up together.
I wanna be there when you open your eyes. I want you to be the first thing that I see. I wanna wake up with you. I wanna lay by your side, baby. I wanna feel every beat of your heart.
Yeah.
Throughout the night, I wanna hold you tight. I wanna wake up with you.
Big up all of my TamFam ladies. Big up on yourself, you know.
One dream in my life.
Hold on there. No, Jimmy. Oh, me there I make you play and I bring you up, man. No, hold on.
Oh, yeah, I said,
No, Jimmy, you're delicious though. One thing do a ragga. You select them good looking. Now the people them need to see a your time now. You understand?
hold on, be the ragga though. If you not follow me, follow me. If you not follow me, follow me.
No, follow him. No, follow the boss right now. Follow Jimmy right now. You see it? I go and bill right now at 100,000 and thing and go and bill it and think. Next thing $1 million, you know. But you know.
See there. You have to start somewhere.
You see it.
In the meantime, ladies.
One dream in my life.
And if you already following your stick, alright?
That's what I waited for. To make you the mother dream of one. Love has been gone. Promising so much more. No one else can see that you're beautiful to me. I love you higher than anyone can count. No way to you out. Hold my hand and you inspire what love is all about. Girl, I can't live without you. She's just 16 years old.
Working hours, Ragga. Working hours.
That's right.
Don't know what love is yet, but I want you to know if I can find, I'll pick you up, I'll take you into the light and show you love like you've never seen, ever seen. My heart is filled with so much love, and I need someone I can call my own to fall in love. That's what everyone's dreaming of. Always feeling home so short. Life is too short to live alone when there's someone to call my own. I will care for you.
for your gift.
It's all that you can say. Years go by and still the words don't come easily. Life's sorry, life's sorry. Forgive me. It's all that you can say. Years go by and still the words don't come easily. Like forgive me, forgive me. And you can say, baby, and baby, can I hold you tonight? And maybe if I told you the right words, ooh, at the right time, you'd be mine.
You find the reason why you love you, baby, my dear. Now, taking your body,
Is it real?
temperature's rising.
I don't want to feel
No place to be real.
big tune, man.
Oh, and I longing to love you just for a night. Singing, hugging, holding you tight. Please let me love you with all of my mind. Reason. Sorry for me, somebody gives man. Big up to all the gifters, alright? The reason
Proper.
you feel right, feel it. So, Timmy, I have to cover this up on the laptop sometime. Oh, shit. Here we go. And after the love games I can play, all over a little charm with us separate. No. The reason starts to fade. Alright, sing it. La 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 la. La 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 la. If I'm the reason. Put on your red dress, slip on your high heels. Some of that sweet perfume.
Oh my God.
It shows no skin on you. Slide on the lipstick. Let all your hair down.
Oh my God.
But baby, when you I
Money pull up, and the money gone.
Because a girl just a watch you and a chat you, and she a chat you, she can't stop you. A girl just a watch you and a chat you, and she a chat you, she can't stop you. Girl, hold up your hand 'cause your man want you. Pick up your phone 'cause she can't stop you, and she a chat you, your man want you. Yeah, yeah, man. All the girls that know
Dig it up, dig it up, dig it up.
chat you, but she can't stop you. 'Cause you know some black ass in a altar black there. Come by out.
put on your red dress,
Yeah.
slip on your high heels.
Yeah, they look good.
Some of that sweet perfume.
Oh my
It
God.
shows no skin on you. Slide on the lipstick. Let all your hair down.
Oh my God.
But baby, when you get through, I wanna show out for you.
Because a girl just a watch you and a chat you, and she a chat you, no she can't stop you. A girl just a watch you and a chat you, and she a chat you, no she can't stop you. Girl, hold up your hand 'cause your man want you. Pick up the phone 'cause she can't stop you, and she a chat you, no your man want you.
I need a mother girl with an old-fashioned kind of loving to put me to bed at night and wake me up in the morning. I need a girl with true loving. I need a girl with sweet romancing. I need a girl to hold me tight and squeeze me right. I need a girl to put me to bed at night
Let's go.
and wake me up in the morning. She is
Man, I like rushing up as cocky, but sometimes I have to rush enough time tonight, see?
She called my name from coast to coast, telling people that she needs me the most. Whenever she passes by, she always finds herself with another guy. She even goes as far to say that I'm the superstar. But girl, oh girl, I'm not a substitute lover. Oh no. and fiddle. Still really and truly first class. She called my name from coast to coast, telling people how she needs me the most. Whenever she passes by, she always finds herself with another guy. She even goes as far to say that I'm the superstar. But girl, oh girl, I'm not a substitute lover. Oh no, it's going. Love is hard. Oh, it is going. Shining so bright, it's glowing. There's a love of mine. Yes, it is showing. Just when I get inside of you, I can feel you moving away, baby. I can feel you moving away from me. Honey, I know you've asked me many times. I never thought of leaving you for someone else. Guess you just don't see. You mean the world to me. Never gonna hurt you, my dear. Honey, when I hear you say that I don't need you.
Anytime you're ready, Jimmy.
Have the man
Let's go mix it.
One to go.
here by my side. And I'm proud of you, honestly. How do you know day to day sun is gonna rise? Let's take love one day at a time.
Alright, finally, you know.
Yes, come on. She's like a blessing from
With berries. Got to eat with berries. In combination with Joe.
talking about you. Might as well I tell you all the thoughts that I've been hiding. And it's so long I have to know where to start. Don't be offended.
Reggae Braga, final.
You're a hell of a kind of woman. And you do something special to my
Good night,
heart.
everybody. Checking in. Bless up. Respect.
I see you as a queen and a lady. No extra later. The only thing sweeter than mine phone. Keep the price the same. Queen and lady. Keep the standard set. The only thing sweeter than mine phone.
Get out. Done. Done. Look at the defense again. Thank you guys. Alright.
Oh, if you should hear me calling, would you stop what you were doing? Hurry over and see what's going on.
If you should see me crying, would you assist in mending a heart
Amazing vocals.
has been broken?
Oh,
It could be you and me with a life so free, never have to worry.
oh,
Live on.
All right, big up the general, you know. You understand? You see, when the youth them know the classic tune, then we have to rate and respect them, you know. You understand? When them know good music and thing, and we not disrespect for them, you know. We not disrespect the massacres and the Shensias and all of them. We say them for them respect Juicy and we and all them. Yeah, yeah. And thing. Again, I just want to say blessings and respect to all our TamFamers, big up and thing, and we there play local music and thing, and you know, I be like local vibes and celebrate 100,000 followers over here. Do remember to follow Jimmy also and follow DJ Chris Cross and thing like that. Jimmy Licious says she love her if your dimples them and things. See, Dark Bite say respect Jimmy. Jimmy, if Dark Bite rate you, you know, say your ratings up there in the cause in rank, you know. Them man, they just keep it 100, you know. If them things say you do to them, they say, no, him not good. Me not care where you want to say Raga, him no good. You understand? So from them man, they rate you. You know, say I saw the thing set. But right now, I don't want the man them feel no way, you know. So I just want to say respect to the item support and thing. But you don't know Raga is for the ladies. Come on now. All right? Yes, man. And people, I mean say souls, you know, and I mean say R&B, you know, from well, it's a Jamaican thing. The thing kind of changed now, Jimmy, but back in the day when party I keep at Jamaica, no party no keep and souls no play. Yeah.
And two places, I'm ready for right now.
Yeah.
Mr. Countryman,
Yeah.
I'm ready for town.
Yeah.
When it comes to Roan Rabbit.
Okay.
Greenwich Farm, grown with Roan Rabbit.
Grown,
So
all
Mr.
right then. So
Country,
you know
we
what
have a
go
lot of
on.
music. 5th Street, Greenwich Farm, Father has a big up.
Yeah, Father has a big up, man. Yeah, man. Big up Father has what you mean?
Greenwich Farm and Souls.
Yeah, but people back in the day, no party no keep and souls no play. If souls no play in a party, people said, no souls no play. What kind of party
That's
this?
song now play till 5
Yeah,
o'clock. Souls
yeah,
all
no
night,
souls no play. Right, so they have to play in every party. You understand? So it change, you know, but we give thanks here, man, and things. So you see that first tune now when me go kick it off with, me go play some souls. And here me go play a little, you know, just a little small reggae or whatever, because Jimmy will play a little dancehall phone and them something. But me I start, but one of the souls group, them where them come in like, them two man and them are God in a Jamaica. Well, you know what I mean, relatively speaking, you know? Yeah, Jade, right? But them two youth, man, me I tell them, man, Jamaicans swear by them. I think Jamaicans swear by them as much as them swear by like Celine, you know, even though them youth come, them man come before Celine. But you can't go wrong with them two man and whatever, you know, Jamaicans love them. That's when I'm here Jamaica, did I keep jazz festival. Several times them bring back them money, I understand. And people go there just to hear them. So I want to dedicate that song to my TamFam ladies, them, you know. Big up on yourself, you know, I got love on and things, see, you know what I say? Love on her now and love on her forever. I said that group here, Jamaica love them.
When love is new and the world is out reaching for you, we try hard to hold it all in our hands, but it slips through like soft drifting sands. But drying the tears can build it all.
My ladies, I want you to get ready to sing. I want you to get ready to sing.
Now and forever, remember the words from my heart will always be true. Now and forever, together, and all that I feel is my love for you. Learning each day that the right time was so far away to tell you the things.
Sheldon, me now pull it up.
Now it's
Me
clear.
now pull up that one at Sheldon.
Moment we search for is here, and counting the years is all I want to do. Now and forever, remember the words from my heart will always be true. Now and forever, together, and all that I feel is my love for you.
Ladies, more big up the ladies, them who
Hold me as close.
wanna not get down to business. I wanna feel the man. I wanna give up that. I wanna do that steer up in him face something there, you know.
Years are
You
gone.
know that's something there when it's sweet and thing.
What
I
has
wanna say what a man you do to me.
is
I
all.
wanna just look up in him face like on a mad son.
I'm here with you. I'm here.
And then you hold him and squeeze him.
I'm holding on. I'm holding on. Now and forever.
Now and forever. TamFam ladies.
When the words from my heart will always be.
Just know say Raga will never take on for granted.
Now and forever, together and all that
And after it's now and forever, I'm lost in your love.
I realize the best part of love is the thinnest slice.
It's your supply.
And I don't count for much, but I'm not letting go. I believe there's too much to believe in. So lift your eyes if you feel you can. Reach for a star and I'll show you a plan. I figured it out. What I needed was someone to show me.
Wallet, youth, wallet.
You know you can't fool me. I've been loving you too long. It started
Where my
so
TamFam ladies at? I want to hear you sing.
you want to carry on.
Here we go now. Lost in love. Here we go.
Lost in love and I don't know much. Wasn't thinking aloud and fell out of touch. But I'm back on my feet and eager to be what you want. So lift your eyes if you feel you can. Reach for a star.
Really thought that I could live without you. Really thought that I could make it on my own.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man, when
very
the woman
nice.
them takes you out.
Sent you away.
I'm going like say, we don't want the man, but you don't need the man. I went loneliness take you know,
let you-
on the isle of ride, you
You
know.
go.
What you say?
Now I'm so lost without you.
Yes, you are.
Now you're not here, and now
Where
I'm
you got you now?
lonely. Is that night when I'm not with you?
When you say lonely is the night when I'm not with you. I be true.
Really thought that I could live without you. Really thought that I could make it on my own. Sent you away. Yeah, I said I didn't need you.
Well, right now we're not lonely.
Let you go.
100,000 followers. TamFam, one family.
Oh, now I'm so lost without you.
TamFam ladies, I'm lost without you.
Now you're not here, and now I know. Lonely is that night when I'm not with you. Lonely is that night, ain't no light shining
Yes,
through.
why?
Till you're in my arms, till you're here by my side. Lonely am I. Never thought that I would need you. Never thought that I'd be missing you. Gotta get you back. I've just got to find
You know one of the reasons why I'm loving the TamFam ladies. You know one of the reasons why I'm loving her. I wanna accept Raga just as he is. With all my imperfections. With my unconventional traits. Wanna love when Raga go on with the something of them. And mix up with something of them. Now, what you right now?
I've had a lot of big dreams.
Somebody,
I've made a lot of bad moves.
I want somebody cuss a decent bad word.
I know you could walk away, but you never do.
You never leave Raga.
I've met a lot of cold hearts.
Wally part of creator out there.
I've learned to smile plant disease.
And you not hear them.
I know I'm hard to be around,
But a ragga your thing there.
you never leave.
Come from your thing there. Aye.
And I'm not easy to understand.
But what?
But you hold out your hand and you say you love me just as I am. You always treat me the best that you can. You say you want me, need me, love me, baby, just as I am. Just as I am. Made a lot of heartaches. I found a lot of closed doors. When all the others turn away, you love me more. You love me more.
I want to say enough respect to all the couples doing well out there.
I'm not easy to understand,
All of the couple, I'm gonna go through the ups and down them.
but you hold out your hand and you say you love me just as I am.
You might be beside your special person right now.
The best
You
that
might be beside your husband, your wife, your man, your woman.
say you
I want you to look across on them and remember all of the things they want to go through. I want to still there, stand up strong. Remember when all one I did give up on life. Remember one of the things I would never find somebody to settle down with. And yes, you did find that person. And you're so thankful. Because when you look out into the world and see what out there, it not pretty, it mucky. So you give thanks for your little piece of man, your little piece of woman who hold it with you. Yeah, there was a time when you did lonely, a time when you did depressed, a time when you think it never did go work out. Until God send a person that for you. Raise your right hand, wave your right hand. I said thank you, thank you. Because right you know,
Thank you, thank you.
when you're lost, where do you begin?
see that.
My heart always seemed to drift from day to day, looking for the love that never came my way. Then you smiled, and I reached out to you.
Again, dedicated to
I could
the couples
tell
out there who've been through thick and thin
you were
and still going
lonely
strong.
too.
Challenges there may be,
Look,
but hang in there
then
and
it
take care of one another.
for you and me.
Yeah.
The moment that we touched, I knew that there would
And what
be two less lonely people in the world, and it's gonna be fine. Out of all the people in the world, I just can't believe you're mine. In my life where everything was wrong, something finally went right. Now there's two less lonely people in the world tonight. Just to think what I might have missed. Looking back, how did I exist? I dreamed, still I never thought I'd come this far. But miracles come true, I know, 'cause here we are. Two less lonely
Well, we're here
people.
celebrating 100,000 followers on the Ragashanti channel here on TikTok and like, what, 56 subscribers and thing. We're giving thanks and things. Seeing this is a beautiful moment.
What if I told you it was all meant to be? Would you believe me? Would you believe? It's almost that feeling we met tell you lovers come here and now. A moment like this, some people wait a lifetime for a moment like this. Some people search forever for that one special kiss. Oh, I can't believe it's happening to me. Some people wait a lifetime for a moment like this.
TamFam ladies, just know that you're special.
Everything changes, but
TamFam ladies, you're special.
hey,
You're divinely created.
things so tender
You're divinely blessed.
and explain.
I hear from your inner TamFam,
I may be dreaming.
things are gonna turn up for you.
Where
Claim it.
can we make
Prosperity are gonna follow you.
forever?
Blessings are gonna just flood you.
And I'll cherish all
Partly because you're in a TamFam.
a moment like this. Some people wait a lifetime for a moment like
That myself.
this. Some people search forever.
Big up my good ass TamFam ladies.
A special kiss. Oh, I can't believe it's happening to me. Some people wait a lifetime for a moment like this.
To my divinely created, divinely blessed TamFam ladies, I dedicate this one to you. Ragga no soul.
Can this be true? Tell me, can this be real? How can I put into words
Ladies,
what
you have my permission to cuss a decent bad word for that tune, yeah.
I thought I
Cuss a bossy bad word.
Why do I feel like I'm losing control? I never thought that love could feel like this. And then you changed my world with just one kiss. How can it be that right here with me there's an angel? It's a miracle.
Well, sing at them there.
Your love is like a river, peaceful and deep. Your soul is like a secret that I never could keep. When I look into your eyes, I know that it's true. God must have spent a little more time on you.
You see,
A little more time.
we have to big up the TamFam ladies, them, you know.
Yes, he did, babe.
And them hold it with me.
In all of creation, all things great and small, you are the one that surpasses them all. More precious than any diamond or pearl. They broke the mold when you came in this world. And I'm trying hard to figure out just how I ever did without the warmth of your smile, the heart of a child that's deep inside, leaves me purified. Your love is like a river, peaceful and deep. Your soul is like a secret that I never could keep. But when I look into your eyes, I know that it's true. God must
Yo, my TamFam ladies just know some I go defend on always, you know, Raga on the ride and die, you know. All when on the wrong, me I go defend, you know. After I done defend, you know, I tell on some on the wrong. But from the wire I go and me I jump in and defend, you know, first. Yeah, at that school I come from.
love could
I
feel
dey on my team, I dey on my team. If your safety under threat and thing,
just
then my safety under threat too. If somebody I get beat up, I get beat up.
be there right here with me.
But TamFam TamFam ladies.
Yeah.
Just know, you know.
It's a miracle.
Well, as long as you don't disrespect me, Raga nah disrespect on the down.
Peaceful and
Ruthie Canton.
yes.
Just to prove it.
Never.
Well, that tune you and down the structure.
I thought some time alone
What's a bad word?
was what you
Another sub just dropped.
Me say, we get older.
Sub.
Munchitorati, that like a sign that. Yeah. You and me I say my TamFam lady. Me nah left for no. Me nah left for no.
I thought some time alone was what we really needed.
When I broke up.
You said this time would hurt more than it helps, but I couldn't see that. I thought it was the end of a beautiful story, and so I left the one I love at home to be alone.
Where my ladies at?
And I tried and found out this one thing is true,
I'm nothing without you.
that I'm nothing without you. I know better now, and I've had a change of heart.
I'd rather
have bad times with you than good times with someone else. I'd rather be beside you in a storm
Love you too,
than
Lisa.
safe and warm by myself. I'd rather have hard times together than to have it easy apart. I'd rather have the one who holds my heart.
I swear by the moon and the stars and I swear
Come on, man. Raga no soul tune.
Where did you get it
Don't
from?
play with me. Don't play with me. Oh.
Where did you get it from?
I see the questions in your eyes. I know what's weighing on your mind. You can be sure I know my part, 'cause I stand beside you.
Empress CB, big up. Latisha, me see you. Dilly Dally Larger.
Me cry those happy tears, and though I may,
Want to say enough respect to all the ANC ladies.
I'll never break your heart, and I swear
To all the SDC ladies also.
moon and the stars and the stars, I'll be there. I swear,
CBS, me sit down.
like the shadow that's by your side, I'll be there
Dilly Dally.
for better or worse. Till the heart, I love you every beat of my heart, and I swear.
TamFam ladies, my love you know. TamFam ladies, my love you know.
I'll give you every
TamFam ladies, my love you know. Jimmy, when we done, we get to the man. Wait up, on the wait up, wait up.
Maybe it's intuition, but some things you just don't question. Like in your eyes, I see my future in an instant, and there it goes. I think I found my best friend. I know that it might sound more than a little crazy.
Dog bites at the TamFam ladies, them are wicked. Go ahead.
I knew I loved you before I met you. I think I dreamed you into life. I knew I loved you before I met you.
Sheldon said Dilly Dally need a towel.
As I see the message,
Hey Sheldon, oh you know.
I'm searching for
Dilly Dally nobody wet up your chair.
my way.
Go for the towel. And don't take a little towel.
Myself
Take a big towel and fold it in a two.
crazy, but
Cause you're gonna need for fold it.
I knew I loved you before I met you.
Ragabash.
I think I dreamed you.
Saturday, September 20th. Amazura.
I loved you before I met you.
Yes, sweetest.
I have been waiting
Raga loves him some soul.
my life.
There's another thing, TamFam ladies, I want to know, you know.
It's for a chance
TamFam ladies,
to prove that I love you.
know this.
From the first day that I saw your smiling face, honey, I knew that we would be together forever.
See me, I deal with them kids.
When I asked you out, you said no, but
Call that thing us tonight.
darling, that you've been hurt. You thought that you'd never love again. I deserve a try, honey, just once. Give me a chance and I'll prove this all wrong. You walked in, you were so quick to judge, but honey, he's nothing like me. I'll never break your heart. I'll never make you cry. I'd rather die than live without you. I'll give you all of me. That's no lie. Never break your heart. I'll never make you cry. I'd rather die than live without you. I'll give you,
Carly, you big up yourself.
honey, that's
Cammy, large up.
as time goes by, you will get to know me
100,000.
no more than girl, that's the way love goes, baby, baby. And I know you're afraid to let your feelings show. And girl, it's time to let go. I deserve a try, honey, just once. Give me a chance and I'll prove this all wrong. You walked in, you were so quick to judge, but honey, he's nothing like me, darling. Why can't you see? I'll never break your heart. I'll never make you cry. I'd rather die than I live without you, girl.
My ladies, I'm about to make a promise to you.
When the visions around you bring tears to your eyes, and all that's around you are secrets and lies, I'll be your strength, I'll give you hope, keeping your faith when it's gone.
Curvy Queens.
The one you should
I see you.
know.
Trudy, I want me to you. Holy Trudy. Holy Trudy, come here. Come here. I want to hold you.
And I will take you in my arms and hold you right where you belong.
who are follow Ragashanti.
This is a bad.
All I who support me. Wants the blessings and respect to you.
And with this vow,
from the heart,
has now
know that
begun.
Yeah.
Just close your eyes. You should have it. This feeling won't go away till the day my life is through. This I promise you. This I promise you.
Sure, man.
What up, Raga? What's up,
Nah, man.
I was going last night. I wadded up my last night.
Last night
Mickey, did I go on so?
you were so into it.
No, sir.
You told me secrets that
Yeah.
you never told us, so you were so nervous and
Yeah.
yet oh so comfortable as we explored.
Why you going with yourself last night? Is it?
I drank your
Hold
wine.
on. We have to cut out that part.
Hey, Raga, you know what?
Another part. I drank your wine. What I buckle down?
That don't sound safe.
Yo. Sure.
Last night you were so into it. You told me secrets
A
that
few more and then we drive back for Jamaica.
told us, so you were so nervous and yet oh so comfortable as we explore your image of love. I drank your wine as you taste mine. I kissed your lips. You felt my body slip into your soul. I almost cried 'cause it was so beautiful. Last night, I was inside of you. Last night, while making love to you, I saw the sun, the moon, the mountains and the rivers. I saw heaven when I made sweet love to you. Last night, there was a noble land. It was so special and so very innocent. We talked of memories, our favorite fantasies as we explored our visions of love. Deep in the night, right by the fireside,
SDC ladies, big up.
a candlelight in your soul. You felt incredible.
All my Jamaican ladies,
Started to
my Caribbean ladies.
I almost cried 'cause it was so beautiful. Last night, I was inside you. Last night, baby.
Yo, you know what I want to know?
I saw the sun,
You know what I want to know?
the mountains and the rivers. I saw heaven.
You know what I want to know?
Belong to you.
Tell me something.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. All right. It's amazing how you knock me off my feet. Every time you come around me, I get weak. Oh, yeah. Nobody ever made me feel this way. Oh,
kiss my lips and then you take my breath away. So I wanna know what turns you on. Yeah, I like to know, so I can be all that and more. I like to know. What makes you cry. So I can be the one who always make you smile. Girl, he never understood what you were worth. No. And he never took the time to make it work. Deserve more love.
A few more and then Jimmy Q again.
Baby, I'm the kind
100,000 followers party.
concerned. Yes, I do. Any way that I can please you, let me learn. So I wanna know what turns you on. I wanna know, so I can be all that and more. I like to know. What makes you cry. So I can be the one who always make you smile. Make you smile, baby. Tell me what I gotta do to please you. Baby, anything you say I'll do. 'Cause I only wanna make you happy. From the bottom of my heart, it's true. Tell me what I gotta do to please you. Baby, anything you say I'll do.
5 more than Jimmy.
'Cause I only wanna make you happy. From the bottom of my heart, it's true. I wish that I could take a journey through your mind. Alright, and find emotion that you always.
Kirby said, I know if I ask that, then you are do it, Raga.
Oh, I do believe that there's a love you wanna share.
Sweet Julie Raga looking at the camera and sing now.
Care of you, lady, have no fear. So I wanna know. What turns you on. I wanna know, so I can be all that.
Ladies, may I have a simple question for you?
And I like to know.
I have a simple, non-complicated question for you.
Yeah.
If you're in your house,
Ooh, tell me.
you sit down in your good house,
What I do to please you, baby.
under the shelter of your house,
I do, 'cause I only wanna
and you see outside dark up,
from the bottom of my heart.
and
It's
the grey clouds them come out. They're called nimbus clouds, as opposed to cirrus clouds and cumulus clouds. Okay.
anything you say, I'll
The sky get dark,
'cause I only wanna make
then the rain start drizzle a little bit.
the bottom of my heart is true. Yeah.
And you open your door,
I like to know.
and you look on the rain, and you could have stayed in your house, you know. You look on your umbrella, you don't pick up your umbrella, but you take up yourself and walk go outside in the rain. What you think I gonna happen to you when you walk go outside in the rain? Wait, are we talking about the rain here?
I see dark clouds out my window. I know the storm is coming, and the thunder just confirms my fears. And I know that tears are in it. I'll be crying, unable to stop. Look, here comes the very first drop. 'Cause every time it rains, I fall to pieces.
Every time it rains, you get wet. Well, of course, if you walk out in the rain, you're gonna get wet, right?
I see dark clouds out my window. I know the storm is coming.
Delicious, big up yourself.
And the thunder just confirms my fears. And I know that tears are in it. I'll be crying, unable to stop. Look, here comes the very first drop. 'Cause every time it rains, I fall to pieces. So many memories the rain releases. I feel you, I taste you, I cannot forget.
Dog bite said.
Every time it rains,
Warm it here when it rains.
I get wet.
Dog bite, same say Del Marine outside I'm window. Del Marine, where you do out a dog bite window?
Darling, I am still in love with you. As time passes by, it just intensifies. I know I'll never be with you
Del
again.
Marine, where you do out of the man window in the
I'll
rain?
never find another with that kindness in his eyes.
Dog bite, Del Marine, want up your body.
I'll be trying, unable to stop. Look, here comes the very first drop. 'Cause every time it rains, I fall to pieces. So many memories the rain releases. I feel you, I taste you, I cannot forget. Every time it rains, I get wet.
Yeah, but there's someone big up everybody when I TamFam and thing, you know, and irrespective of where you come from, whichever country you come from, and thing, large up yourself. And we also know that anybody in a TamFam who is not from Jamaica, it means that you have some affiliation with Jamaica in some way, and you love Jamaica and respect Jamaica. Everybody in a TamFam, either from Jamaica or connected to Jamaica in some way, some form,
Time it rains,
or the other.
fall to pieces.
Even if you're in a TamFam and you're not Jamaica,
Memory
at a minimum,
releases.
we know, say, on multiple occasions,
Taste you,
there's a Jamaican inside of you.
Why?
In the meantime, watch out. What's that? Jamaica.
Yes, Ooh, I met a girl this morning. She was love at first sight.
All who never know say Raga could have select.
The girl this
Even though I'm not selector like Jimmy
beautiful.
and Cross.
I
Trying to say Raga Bash.
where she from? She tell me.
Never play some music.
She asked
Well, Cross usually play the music in my mind.
me,
I'm an entertainer, no.
what's your name? And she tell me
What's your name?
name is Jamaica. And I said, smile, girl, smile. Smile for me, Jamaica. And I said, smile, girl, smile. Ooh, Lord, smile for me, Jamaica. Never you cry, here am I. Yeah, I'm here for you, Jamaica. Dry your eyes, girl, smile. Smile for me, Jamaica. Lord, hey, she have a rich history. A beautiful woman with the sweetest gifts. Beautiful sunrise and an evening kiss. Of a nice sunset on the evening season. But she tell me, say she tired. Tired of the exploit and the liars. She give them reggae, give them beaches, give them flowers and the
Latisha, you're most welcome.
abuse in return. But I say, don't you worry yourself, mama.
Don't worry yourself.
Chronics is here to your help, mama.
Raga Bash.
lo que nadie puede entender.
You never see it coming.
Quiero amarte para
And the
siempre.
next thing you know,
Enséñame cómo amar
unconditional love,
incondicionalmente.
unconditional love. She ain't looking for no diamond.
Now say how much I'm
Looking for no
watch out, look how much I wanna love yourself.
somebody
Look how much I wanna love yourself. That's how much I wanna love that song, yeah? It's just a pity the singer can't behave himself. It's like bad.
El amor es puro. El amor
Ladies, I know this is a romance song.
lo que nadie
We're
puede.
not talking about no juke and a ram.
You never see it coming.
Quiero amarte para
And the
siempre.
next thing you know,
Enséñame cómo amar
unconditional love,
incondicionalmente.
unconditional love. She ain't looking for no diamonds, ain't digging for no gold, just somebody to love. Unconditional love.
3 more and then Jimmy.
First of January, said you're starting over. Your heart's been in remission, making a new beginning. Yeah. And it's been 6 months since you got sober, taking a new position to make a better decision. Then you head to the corner store and forget what you went for. Just as soon as
Ladies, I want you give me a slow wine. No rush wine.
you never see it coming, then the next thing you know, unconditional love, unconditional love. She ain't looking for no diamonds, ain't digging for no gold.
The next song I'm a favorite from the artist, yeah. I
Unconditional.
said the next song I'm a favorite from the artist, yeah.
No necesito nada, ni a nadie. Si te tengo a ti, te amo para
So this here gonna my artist,
Bust
man.
them shot to your artist, bust them shot to your artist. Bust them shot to your artist, Jimmy. Oh, you mean? Love that song, yeah.
My artist, yeah, man.
Yeah. I miss
One of the
those
biggest
days.
songs. One of the biggest.
I miss those days, yeah. Remember the songs used to make you rock away. Those were the days when love used to reign. Hey. We danced all night to the songs they played. We can come again, do it just the same. Hey. Now I feel it in my heart. We in such a golden time at the park. Yes. Now there's hardly any safe place left to go.
2 more and then Jimmy.
Someone's bound to come and try to spoil the show. Oh, oh, oh. Remember the songs used to make you rock away. Those were the days when love used to
Once enough respect to Novland.
we danced all night to the songs they
Big up all of my subscribers, them. All 57, I want to big up on yourself.
do it just the same. Hey, hey, John Old Dalton Ellis, Delroy Wilson, Dennis Brown. Hey, hey, Big U, Josie Wells, Daddy Roy would wake the town. Yeah, and you had to hold your woman real close when Smokey starts to sing. Temptations, Marvin Gaye, Spinners all the way. Aretha Franklin, Patti LaBelle used to make me drift away. Play, Stevie, play, your sample any day. We dance all night to the songs they play. We can come again, do it just the same. Right now.
right to my TamFam ladies. I was known say we are gangster, you know. We're a man in this, you know. So we now make no woman grounds way out nowhere, you see it. We pass them days. Yeah. So if any stylings come away, you know, we'll put our foot and make you know what is what done. But sometimes, cause Raga rate you and love you see me? If you go get distracted and go out the little bit and all them something there, I'm bright enough come and tell me about we done. Me not too big enough for just make you know this.
You beside me, got your lipstick marks along a couple cups.
Delmarine, what you do on the dog bite window? One car give me and your arm. You run gun on the dog bite window, make him there style you. Listen what me I said to you, Delmarine.
And whatever I said, whatever I did, I didn't mean it. I just want you back for good.
Delmarine, where you gone? Try come back. That me I tell you, come in and know where you gone. Where you gone over there so far? Make dirty man a scandal and that window. Come back to decency. In the meantime.
Well, man, come swing to the man.
Mixup, yeah.
Said they were getting in trouble, you know.
What a situation I found myself in. Seems there's nothing
to
prove to the old of me brethren them that me and Stacy we're just cool. Can't understand how we tight, so yet I swear there's nothing going on. To them no no said this girl's been always there to help me when I'm down. Worse when they see us holding hands and laughing together. Probably thinking we're making plans to run off together. Can't see we're just friends. They say I'm burning my lady. Some criticize and say
we're just friends.
If me cake and I eat it, oh. They can't see we're just friends. They say I'm secretly loving you.
Mister, as me I talk to a woman, them start call up my name with a woman. Why?
Well, every time when I talk to a woman out there,
everybody claims every day we die.
and if I open a door and pull out a chair,
Everybody claims every day we die.
and when me cousin and me auntie come check me from here,
Everybody claims every day we die.
them one time the comments them so unfair.
Everybody claims every day we die.
Lego that. I work, we are work, you know. We are juggle, we juggle, you know.
Let's get that hot, the AC stop work.
You see me? And that me I tell you, I will enjoy this, I love this. I what do them? And what do them? And what do them? You see me? Hold on the Jimmy, make me you know, say, we're not really taking no name tonight, but I could see. Wait, something.
Mixup.
Yeah, oh, well, I could just take 2 calls and when I talk fast, do you know?
Get to the point.
Yeah, get to the point. Can't this. All right, I'm gonna see if that person did it. But then we're not itching, we're cut off. Yeah, the answer right away. Greetings. Talk fast. Greetings. All right, nobody not answer. Right away. Wanna move, you know? Yeah. As the music said back in the day, kill and cut. Blaze and cut. All right. Just see if a couple people are going to answer. If nobody not answer, we're not itch. We're not whenever make we see. Wait, that's Trudy. Trudy.
So I must put my name?
Trudy want Are we all write your name, pan? Trudy, are we all write your name, pan?
Check, check, man. Big
Yeah, Trudy, no bother come off, because we done here, so you put your name on it. Yeah. For the application for a gigolo come out your yard. Trudy, what are we not answer? We hear you talk a while ago, down. Trudy Brown. Yes, you say yawa? Ya chat room bad girl. Chat room bad girl, and when you come on the phone, we can't hear you, down. Trudy. Oh, you come up in the box and you not talk. Yeah, but you're full of chat in the chat room. Trudy, you hear we, you know, because you listen to the show all night, you hear we. Why you not talk, Trudy? Why you not talk? You did there fill out application for Gigalo come at your yard. Yeah. Trudy, you know, see how well up your show. I better you just talk and done, Trudy. Trudy.
Oh my God, how did I get on here? What the hell?
What the hell are you?
Eh? Trudy, what go on? Eh?
Nothing on my work. I was doing something with my supervisor.
Oh, okay, all right, I go believe you. I would not go disturb you. I work there for true.
Yeah, I'm at work.
All right, now say I heard. We not pressure the thing. Here, big up yourself here.
An Blenda.
Yeah. It was like, okay, all right, later. One more and then we're at it, delicious. This are coming in, no problem. Yeah. Licious.
Raga.
What's up?
Lord Jesus, that day I make me a mash up with people them place.
We dance.
Your body now.
We can talk about I play music we play and I entertain.
Raga one dress me not have no backup. I tell you right now. One dress me have.
One dress, it can't wet up too much though.
Oh no, I go on bad man.
Work,
Raga, me love the vibe. Love the vibe.
I work.
You make you big up yourself. Give me a cute smile, you know.
Yeah, big up your boss, man. Big up your general. See?
The vibe mad. Big up yourself, Dilly. A couple times. Well, you send Dilly a ear in a Raga.
Oh, Dilly Dally.
A couple times. Well, me see ambulance pass through and go for Dilly. Oh my God, Raga, the vibe nice.
Yeah, them say Dilly. Them say Dilly run out a towel over there, you know.
The vibes mad.
Dilly
They are truly Raga. Go and do your thing.
I say a word, man. Big up yourself. Yes.
Bad. All right. Tell you.
Mad. Okay. Jimmy, you don't know, you know. No, you juggle anything you want to juggle for like the next 10, coming and stay too late anyway. For like the next 10, 15 minutes and then I do another 10, 15 minutes and we call it a night, all right? Yeah, just juggle and thing and then, you know, like a 10, 15 minutes, I do back a 10, 15 minutes and we call it a night. Again, people, this is in celebration of, you know, passing 100,000 followers and thing with your support indeed. Big respect again, big up, you know, all who subscribe and thing, you know, everything is everything. Peaches and cream, I said so early, Raga. No, man, we just do a little thing. You know, what time we start, Jimmy?
About 7. Friday.
Eh?
When I want to do Friday? No, 2:30.
No, well, no, anything them get on Friday, I brought her. Yeah, anything on Friday, I brought her. 9:44. What you mean that brought her to? Tap your foolishness, man. Yeah. Chumpy, I said, what the country music. Another night, we play country music another night because I don't even know the country music them like that, you know, Chumpy. I keep it on Chumpy, I know the last time I go play music. One day at that time, man. You see? Don't worry yourself, man. So we're going to make Jimmy bounce off at 10, 15 right and play anything he want to play in a little celebration party, yeah? And thing. In fact, man, go ahead, let's go.
Monday the 3rd at 69 p.m.
Yeah. You know, so I tell them from I come out and I go make the mistake and say 6 to 9, you know, Jimmy. I mean, I tell her, say, yeah, I look a set of them no Lego the thing I try mix me up, you know. But me say Monday the Thursday, me in a 69. And thing I wicked them, man. I look for them sometime, you know, them want come style gangster, don't
like a G.
Yeah. Jimmy, run tune.
That's sweet, boy.
That's sweet.
Let's
grab some dancehall in the party. You know, there's more music on this stuff in the party.
I will do anything just for you. I will do anything just for you. This is boy. Whoa.
Hold on, my bad. John was time. But good again.
You never know, see me wrong.
Thanks, Mobs.
He got the girls them fool. Must realize and understand. Say me sing this dance for me and the girls them all gone. You won't miss me.
Alright, so that part of more music and let's talk. Let's do this.
Sean, where we the man say, woman dirty. Some man of a man, you know I know girl. Who fucking up?
If you're not yet following me, tap the follow Zane. One time fam.
Feeling with the next brand new sound. So we got in the heart, the mind, and soul, and everything, and the next one the rhythm. Oh, man, why the DJ singing? Gunshot, listen up. I'm a million the man just let me go. And if I'm in the family, just a rip and slow. I'm a million of me hand, just a bubble of the show. Can't hold it back, must have been on the floor.
Anything just for you. Make your feet happy and I never look at you. I will do anything just for you. Sacrifice my tobacco.
Alright, here we go.
You just see me walking up and something else still wrong. I really bad with you.
Remember, if you're not yet following me, tap the follow right now Zane.
This thing has found from the bottom of the top. Because me check for you so much, something I go do your that.
Let me add something for the ladies. One on the movie, hold on.
Natural African girl.
Can I add something for the ladies?
Love, I'm hearing this zero navigation. Say the man them want to drop that bed. I think them want come to me in conversation. I run them up on that bed. I'm hearing some zero navigation. Say the man them want to drop that bed. I think them want come to me in conversation. I run them up on that bed. Can you manage you after for so long? And if a hard night work, then you stay strong. I hope you have more than one combination. It is all of me frustration. And if me want it fast, then you go a little faster. Create a storm and become a disaster. This rope, this a weather for the forecaster. It's a pity you're a little cutter. I'm hearing this zero allegation. So the man them want to drop in the bed. I think they don't come to me. Action.
That's a vagabond.
So we.
Don't be the girl them go go.
Action.
That's a vagabond.
So we.
Don't be the girl them go go.
You think you are so fine.
Chat no work, yeah, man, watch the time.
Stop playing with my mind.
Oh, man, no, in a joke, pretty with one day wine.
You call me on the phone.
I know what I'm talking, angel, come down.
And now I want you home.
I can't Jackie, girl, me nah use no stone.
Action.
That's a vagabond.
So we.
Don't be the girl them go go.
Action.
That's a vagabond.
So we.
Don't be the girl them go go.
I'll buy you one time more cause it can't take back when down the game. Hey, pose by you one time you find a good man and you know he might take care of you and you let hand in the air. Shout it out you expensive and you look sweet. Suit on the wife, ball it out you and step up in a life hold up your hand. I'll buy you one time cause it can't take.
Big respect.
Pose by you one time you find a good man.
One time fam.
Take care of you and you let hand in the air. Shout it out you expensive and
To all the gifters in there, alright?
suit on the wife, ball it out you and step up in a life hold up your hand. Bounce around, make sure him see you and hold him head down in surprise. Can't believe how you. You know.
Man, she want a man in her life. She sent for Mr. Tweet nice, you hear? Ah, boy, she want me feel nice, so she sent for Mr. Tweet, alright. What I say? Mr. Tweet nice, they are for the girl day. Tweet nice already, and she come back again. Mr. Tweet nice, they are for the girl day. Tweet nice already, and she come back again. Kiss her on the lips and she started to float. The way she feel like she start to climb smoke. She start get wild and rough. Big up. She start feel high like man wet and coke. But she a girl, but wait you not love. She say I'm
Yeah, man,
she
you
love her, she
must have
start
big
get
up,
home. So what happened to your man now? She
Yeah,
say
man, you
that.
must have big up CBS, don't
Oh, yes.
Yeah,
Oh,
because
yes.
she
Go
make
tell the
you-
police
she
that
make you
you-
straight
Yeah,
up
check
everything.
check for
And
me,
she
yeah.
make you straight up.
Yeah,
And she
check
make you
for
straight
me,
up
check
everything.
for
Get
me.
SDC. That's why you did a big up to CBS.
She want a man in her life. A man to make she feel nice, you hear? Ah, boy, she want me feel nice, so she said me Mr. Tweet, alright. What say? Mr. Tweet nice, they are for the girl day. Tweet nice already, and she come back again. Mr. Tweet nice, they are for the girl day.
Something in my heart says this isn't right.
We can't do the comment them so good, too.
Worry,
But big up to everybody out there, alright? Big up to everybody who contribute.
love me.
Come on, girl, big up. Tablet, big up. Trudy.
Don't you know my actions speak loud
Yeah, big up.
my words and love.
You see, Raga, alright.
What you want?
Whatever you're doing, it's not good enough.
The next one, real one.
It's like a knife. If you don't want me, just get out of my life. Out of my life.
I'm Jimmy. Jimmy.
Good ones.
Jimmy.
Oh, and the one is
Jimmy.
like one open. Holding on, kissing on, no mention, caressing when we see.
Jimmy.
Girls press the decent like one open. Holding on, kissing on, no mention. What?
Jimmy, I just get a report from my phone. Emergency vehicles are outside the home of Dilly Dolly because them say it look like a water main bus in her house or something, and they're concerned about her safety given the amount of water where them see her come out of the house and thing. But so them things a pipe bus, but we know say no pipe bus. We know I want go on. Yo, Dilly Dolly, hold it here and about a drown in your own water. It now go look good here, boy. All right.
Yeah, we need a towel emoji.
No, towel can't help her no more. Right now she needs some bad pan.
Some sun.
I'm in a bad mind. On the road things every time.
Tony, I'm Jimmy.
I'm flex, no can vex. What in the way? I'm going to answer again. Now me no stop love how the girl them flex. The hand close and make a next girl flex. Me no stop love how the woman never flex. Just stop playing big and make a next girl. It's like try foot party and the one name man. And friends them have any in a see young fun. Talk about say, them no love how you dance. So you not follow them.
Keep no one bag of man, but no pay them no mind. Just try make them run.
Can't rock your body, them
Can't do you no harm.
them can't wait it past them.
Them go around calm. Got them go to you in a top farm. It done.
Anytime you see them,
You pick it up and
I just over the Nicky girls and one man. And you them no get it when them bring up men. Over the Nicky girls and one man. And you them no get it when them bring up. Watch it. I'm over the Nicky. Jackie gets them and get one up with a sip. Bang, bang, bang. Look sweet and nice. But them a give me gap. Now the risk when it come to them rock. You them a die from Moses. Rule him rock and can brush. Get them and she end up in a body bag. Over the Nicky girls and one man. And you them no get it when them bring up men. Over the Nicky girls and one man. And you them no get it when them bring up. What is? Over and them press the Nicky no one to come press. And the Nicky them fancy me don't be back fresh. Me have to touch you. Don't you know me understand?
Exit from out of loving. Exit from out of care. Exit from out of fear is all I wanna share.
Respect.
Exit from out of passion. Ain't no fair attraction. I won't give baby. Let me.
Big up to all the guitars. Thank you, guys.
Take all the feelings, some more plenty. All of the time, in the world, they want to. Loving and some more plenty. All of the time, in the world.
Big piece of one, your baby.
Man, I get easy, call it, yeah, your body ready.
Big piece of one, your honey.
Should be a living stand and run out the body.
I said big piece of one, your
Let's go,
baby.
say, man, I get easy, call it, yeah, your body ready.
Big piece of one.
TamFam ladies, let's go.
Be a living stand, girl, you know out the body. Man, if you give the thing to body. Oh, you not say, man, you still so happy. I even have
Call the boy phone.
Bitch, you're not
Call him up.
about smoking. I beg you to call and tell him say sorry. Tell him you never time me no man what you want to do. It is that one thing. Wanna get physical and you want to do. It is that one thing.
Tell that girl don't size up, yeah?
So when wifey come out, them push to the bone. Them no worry about man, cause them up in them house. Me yet come out and a bone like she a kiss me, she in a she keep up. Wifey out, wifey yet again. Make us two choose, she have a problem. Wifey set up the trend, don't you want speaking? Find your girls and sing. So when wifey come out, them push to the bone. Them no worry about man, cause them up in them house. Me yet come out and a bone like she a kiss me, she in a she keep up. Wifey out with now, big sprinter stay up. You the man request me, can't get your lover. It a get loving, around the kitchen. Why come me much it the plane and go for ring? Me it's not ready. Tell everybody, she a get the love, but you get the money. Why exquisite? Everything you have, no worry with yourself, cause everything legit. So when wifey come out, them push to the bone. No worry about man, cause them out in the house. Me it come out, and I whole like she a kiss me, she in a she keep up. When the wild girls keep on hanging around anti-war. Yeah, 600 girls full of big feet and the bucket big way. I'm a stop to demonstrate. Woman, from you know your bucket is strong. In the air, push up on her hand. I sing along, full of big feet and the bucket big way. I mean, accent up.
Now, I just want to say big respect to all of the ANC ladies, them who are dance right now, and the whole of them half key in them dance. None of them can dance good. None of the ANC woman them can dance good. Big up all of the SDC woman them who have dancing lock. Now let me know you murder the thing right here now. None of the ANC woman them can dance good right here now. The whole of them a dance this, and it look like them a dance disco. Turn up true.
Yeah, 600 girls full of big feet and the bucket big way. I'm
not follow you.
Woman, from you know your bucket is strong.
Yes, yeah, neutral.
You make them compromise you.
Bucket big way. I'm a stop about to demonstrate. Woman, from you know your name I call. Them can't bump you like a football. Woman, you athlete. But if you curl and them can't get your speed. You the man want and you the man need. So you after that 21, the first seed.
My God, China mash on the place. But man can say, right, so, have mercy. What you doing now? What me say? Yeah, me know say, no man look you up, me no in the race. So, as a matter what you know, must have to get less. Could have run till you run right out of the place. You're gonna still acting, I mean, take your weapon out. Come on. Oh, you are the adjective wherever they play. Like,
but we're not this whole night, man.
You will pray, boy.
Dance on a little piece of good, yeah?
Remember about your man, the rain and the side fish here, boy. And we could get a knife, put your hand here. Don't sit on stone, and that's not clear. Oh, I tell you to have it, you have your ear. What a fuck, I know my life, you are real. Baby, don't go now. On the moon, no one cheer me, and no one on you, me no in on the race. So, no matter what you do, I'll be getting left. Put that root in your room, right out of the place. And it's still up there, and you take your weapon, don't change. I'll start the man on the sing, jump on your car.
Big up the girls that smell good. Big up the girl that look good. Big up the girl them when boy see a boy have a call to you. You see it? Big up to the girl them when know your boyfriend a cheat by you, but you not have a maga though. You know.
Raga, what you say?
Yes, I. Yeah.
100%.
No, for real. No man got on for no boy out the ladies and things, see?
It's a never.
Yeah.
How you look so good, man, no stop rush you, what's on me want know. In the neighborhood, again, people are watching, what's on me want know. How you look so good, man, no stop rush you, what's on me want know. In the neighborhood, oh God, girl, everybody, you ain't acting like you want about somebody, oh God, it's totally heavy, you know the rock you I say.
September 20, Amazura. It's gonna be a movie. Raga said epic.
That's right.
when you're uncle and stopper. If you drink it, then you do your work proper. Nobody can call you no back stopper. Eyes of an angel, pretty like a rose.
Splendid look from head up to toe. I make me fling on the ring.
Walk like a champion, talk like a champion. What a piece of money, can tell me where you get it from. Tap on your entrance, ram pa pa pam pam. Can't let me. It's your time. You are way back. Walk like a champion, talk like a champion. What a piece of money, can tell me where you get it from. Tap on your entrance, ram pa pa pam pam. Can't let me in. Why? Cause we would be more than time to take and lead to the promised land. Me 24 times, but all you got to do is be true. So let's go respond.
Your body ready, you want that career.
Me have to wonder if I miss your time. Make you just up and a man so since morning. Fast man, you no people body. Sound up white like a yardie. Thank you.
Not believe man, no man look so appalling. Can't get look good, me have to get you to me darling. Eyes them a glisten just like Sunday morning. Bump up and down the eyes like the falling.
Girl from who no act, listen up, this is a warning. From what they know we need to spend out in last part. Why girl you not make no part? Get me hungry, make him know that.
Everybody's calling your name, watching every move that you make, girl. That is just a part of life's game. Even though you may feel something, so you can't always listen to lies that hurt you and keep you down.
Watch this. I just excellent and quality of pass. Must get the body there no matter where it costs. Excellent, yes, me have to be the pass. And this your property, yes, me will send up me mass. Oh na 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 na. Oh na 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 na. Oh na 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 na. Oh na na na. All about Romy, and the big fat sister now yo me. You two of them friends that them know me. All them argument, throw me. The boy that name Romy, and the boring sister now yo me. You two of them friends that them know me. All them argument, throw me. This one say,
Y'all are coming in all over the ocean with no feelings and emotion, yeah. Y'all are call me a Leeds and Brixton, all over in Birmingham, yeah. Y'all are call me a New York and Japan, say them want them Jamaican, yeah. Y'all are call me a Canada or Cayman, say ya we them a wait pan. We got them a New York and call them. Who come on them can't see we, yeah. My plane ticket to fly on our jet, but me baby man.
It is a beautiful sight, I'm a love to watch. To see the young girl on the bike back. It is a beautiful sight, I'm a love to watch. What the girl them on the bike back. Bike back, girl picking it on the bike. Bike back, girl picking it on the bike. Bike back, cock up your bum where you're depend. The bike back, make them know girl picking you up. Shot, cause them know girl pick this in your hot watch it. How the girl on the bike back when them a ride. Now if a girl knows that she not ride with post my bike back. You see the big one girl, come up on that, here watch. It is a beautiful sight, I'm a love to watch. To see the young girl on the bike back. It is a beautiful sight, I'm a love to watch. What the girl them on the bike back. Bike back, girl picking the on the bike. Bike back, girl picking the on the bike. Bike back, cock up your bum where you're depend. The bike back, make them know a girl picking you up. Shot, cause them know a girl pick this in your hot watch it. And the girl on the bike back. When them a ride, them a wine and flash. If you ever see how them it just cock. Run a back and it and the can bike back, girl picking the on the bike. Bike back, girl picking the on the bike. Back your chest, on your knee, bend your back, go down, girl, you get flat, set yourself like you're dip and bike back. Show the girl them that you know that because under it now run things again, man. Since who can now run again, man. Yeah, man, it now run things again, man.
That's the works, baby. No, and I'm on where you have a big ninja bike to my right one. Now on a flim flum when I have the right gear. Bounce me all night when you dive on. Give me the right slam, cause that girl you the key. Ninja bike to my right one. Now on a flim flum when I have the right gear. Bounce me all night when you dive on. Give me the right slam, cause that girl you the key. Under 50 them a push over. Them bike they can't reach and over. All of man just get left in the middle. When me tell them to run take over. I'ma say, before you make another speech, make sure your bike can reach. Cause you know when you pick me up, make you meet at the grill and long out a treasure beach. If I want thing make you stand, hey, that is a boastful man. Who you tell girl how him full of stamina and carrying a good furlong. Almost them I want a big ninja bike, fit it on one. No want a small one, we know have the right gear.
No more to flag me. Get started. Check me. Baby, are you up for this? Give me all that slamming so that I can turn on test. Me no long talking. I am feeling hot tonight. Keep on trying. Put me on the beat. In the bike. Yes. Some boy can't please me. Them just not ready. No more to flag me. Get started. Check me.
A few more.
Baby, are you up for this? Give me
a couple more.
That I can turn on.
Play two more, yeah.
No long talking. I am feeling hot.
Watch it then.
Yeah, man, rinse two more.
Yes. Do I say my stallion, but me a champion? Always ready for a good combination. Say he want me, and he couldn't please me. He must think this a DJ easy to me body and a lava. He never know that he love me hunger when he bend down too. And me head plus me too. Inside, I can't see him borrow. So me say, baby, are you up for this? Give me all that slamming so that I can turn on this.
Now get me wrong, give me some me a dog. Now give me that 25 girlfriend one live on me yard. Don't get mad and start to black ya. Oh, God, don't be all about the girls I see. Every monkey dog in a me. And I like dog. Let my mind out. One $100 and in a me phone. I'm gonna take my nature in my culture. Me not gonna short change and it's up on my makeup. Me not gonna end up like some guys in a Saddam. I'm just sticking to the father's plan. So I'm going on the dance and shit. When man up picture will jump out like this. Can't resist and it's your birthday soon. No really Chris, all girls just have to get stopped. Stop. I know why.
Let's put the man them place again. I don't know, we need them as a spending friend. I can't just a day. Young from you what's your heart. Make sure you're looking fine. Cause you know I've been wine. They make a man walk like the know you can dress in a latest design. And one day girl is mine. But you wanna come to find. We don't feel from when I tell we are different. Now we not stop for to be back open. Best one day as a really I estimate. We know we not to conflict with
I know one of the old community in the city, and I kitchen, I got share with nobody else. Marry them, get a nice and beautiful, I would get everything, I got put them on the ocean, yes. I know one of the old community in the city, and I kitchen, I got share with nobody else. Anytime you got more them, natural things still. Old girl or girl still, you know? Old life full of girls still.
Yeah.
Natural things still. Get your yeah, man.
You see, yo, big up Jimmy, you know, people. All I want to do, I make sure someone follow him. The whole I want to do, follow Jimmy right now. Follow Jimmy right now. All right, the whole of there, follow my little brother right now. Follow Jimmy right now. All right, let's follow Jimmy right now. And things, see. Boy, Latisha, I'm seeing at the dance, I got along bad, Echo vibe sound on them case, everything is everything,
Yeah.
see. People were there again, and tonight is a celebration. The 100,000 followers and thing over here, and thing. I build a thing over here. You see it? Yeah, I mean, that's why I was a Jimmy and one of them youth there, like you see with the graphic design and some of the technical stuff and whatever. And them man they have a back right through, Time in a panic. Jimmy, what's going on over here? What? What you say? What? Or what you say? You have my back, you have my side, no? You see them young people.
Politically correct.
What you say? Why? God, it is what it is. No, it's big and serious, man. But the support is unwavering and just, constant and thing and whatever. And we give thanks, And thing. And again, I just want to say big respect to all and thing for the support and thing, I see some people I say, more people go over the bar go buy some liquor and things. The tea entertainment, I say the bar wants some more liquor. That means yeah, then buy out the bar, So now go and good tonight, buy out the bar. Yeah, John, and we did buy extra liquor, and things, whatever, and they don't know, I'll done the extra liquor. No, sir, I couldn't have go on, so. I couldn't have what? What you say, what?
Yeah, 2 white rum, you walking.
Who?
Moby, see her there? Moby, Mac.
Moby, yeah, Moby, they said like the water broke out, some water spring and all these things down. All right, here we are going, people, I'm going to close it off, and I'm staying on my lane, R&B, and things, so I play on some tune right now, for sending on a bed proper. That's some thing that, and by the way, yeah, all who want to subscribe, subscribe to the channel, all right? Subscribe to the channel.
Follow me now.
Yeah, and all who follow Jimmy, all who follow Raga, Yeah, no, man, I'm no lovers rock to and thing, Naki said, we don't want to go sleep, like, no, she said she don't want to go sleep like she ever sleep. She always wake, Jimmy?
She
always wake, man. That's why, man, I tell you, she in the ANC, right? Naki B, right? You know that, right?
I'm trying to argue with you.
No, but me just that means say say she in
there. Just know where you go with this.
No, she one of them where they recruit you, so you must know. And me just I tell you, say she not sleep.
Oh, like somebody call me, soon come back.
No, nobody not call you. Me just I tell you, say she not sleep. When I figure out say she not sleep, there's certain things I never believe in her. But because she not sleep, I start believing in them something. But I never believe in them thing the first.
Used to believe.
Yeah, I never believe in them thing the first. But when I find out that Naki B from the ANC don't sleep, I start believing in them thing there. So, for a long while, I just never did believe, say, like vampires exist,
Oh, snap.
What?
I know you go with this,
What? As Steve Urkel would say, was it something I said? Did I do that?
Remember, I'm only look young, Only look young, Only look young. I might hear you going at this.
All right, that's all right. Then. So here we are going, people. I'm going to send on off right and proper, and play what me know how to play and do what me know how to do. And me know how to send woman go bed proper. I know that's something there, So, yeah, no war on yourself, man. So we're going to kick it off with that one here, Proper anthem. All of my TamFam ladies, them, go get to the PJs, get to know 90, and all these things. Because Raga is about to tuck you in. Right? I'm even going to read you a bedtime story.
Time can never mend
Let's go.
the careless whispers of a good friend to the heart and mind. Ignorance is kind, but truth. Pain is the hole you find. Should've known better, yeah.
Let's go.
Silver screen and all its sad goodbye. I'm never gonna dance again. Guilty feet have got no rhythm. Though it's easy to pretend, I know you're not a fool. Should have known better than to cheat a friend, waste the chance that I'd been given. So I'm never gonna dance again the way I danced with you.
Get your PJs.
Time can never mend. Careless whispers.
And I know some of you ladies alone, you have an ugly panty where you're sleeping and when you're there by yourself.
There's no
But I just want you to know tonight is not an ugly panty night.
is the hole you find. I'm never gonna dance again.
And I have to put on no extra, you know.
Got no rhythm.
I just put on one of the regular jockey comfortable ones, you know.
I know you're not.
It's all about getting you comfortable tonight.
Should've known better to cheat and waste the chance.
Because I want you to sleep well.
So I'm never gonna dance again the way I danced with you.
A classic from last yesteryear.
Never without your love.
I said I'm taking you to bed tonight, ladies. Come on now, come on now, come on now.
Can't remember why we fell apart from something that was so meant to be. Forever was the price. Okay, tonight you're having me your way. Perfume, spray it there, put our love in the air. Now put me right next to you, finna raise the temp in the room. First rub my back like you do, right there, right there. You touch me like you care. Now stop and let me repay you for the week that you've been through. Working at 9 to 5 and staying cute like you do. Every time we touchin', I want it, you want it, you want it. I'll see you in the morning, Wanna put my fingers through your hair, wrap me up in your legs, and love you till your eyes roll back. I'm trying to put you to bed, I'ma put you to bed.
Ladies, we're Raga putting right now.
Then I'ma rock your body, turn you over, love is war. I'm your soldier, touching you like it's our first time. I'ma put you to bed, I'ma put you to bed, I'm staring at you while you sleep. You're irreplaceable beauty. Put my face up in your neck and breathe. Take you into my senses. Wake up, it's time to finish. Round two.
Remember those walls I built? Well, baby, they're tumbling down. And they didn't even put up a fight. They didn't even make the sound. I found a way to let you in, but I never really had a doubt. Standing in the light of your halo, I got my angel now. It's like I've been awakened. Every rule I had you breaking. It's the risk that I'm taking. I ain't never gonna shut you out. Everywhere I'm looking now, I'm surrounded by your embrace. Baby, I can see your halo. You know you're my saving grace. You're everything I need and more. It's written all over your face. Baby, I can feel.
Karen, why you hate me?
Pray it won't fade on your
Yo, Karen, what you say? You ram too much, don't.
Pull me back to the ground again. It was like I've been awakened.
Oh, thank you, Carol. Oh, you're pronouncing him Carol or Carolee?
That I'm taking.
She says Raga looks so romantic.
Gonna shut you out.
Thank you, boo.
Everywhere I'm looking now, I'm surrounded by your embrace. Baby, I can see your halo. You know you're my saving grace. You're everything I need and more. It's written all over your face. Baby, I can feel your halo. Pray it won't fade on your halo. See your halo.
Come no, ladies. Come no, man. Come no, man. Come no, man. Work, man, work, you know. Some of that ram put on in 90. Last
night I saw you standing, and I started pretending I knew you, and you knew me too. And just like a romance, you were too shy, but you weren't the only cause, so was
Ladies, for the next song. Ladies, for the next song. If me and I juggle, don't make me have to sing the next song. Mr. Ladies, if me and you in and things, don't make me have to sing the next song. Me say if me and I juggle, me don't want to sing the next song.
Just turn it loose. That somebody's been getting next to you. I don't wanna walk around knowing I was your fool. Cause me,
all right, Curvy Queens, I hear you.
I just can't lose my cool. My friends keep telling me about the things that's going on, yeah. But deep in my heart, baby, I hope that I'm wrong. Yes, I hope that I'm wrong, but I know it, babe. Somebody's sleeping in my bed, my bed. Somebody's taking my place, baby. Somebody's sleeping in my bed, and you know just what I mean. Oh, I come home early, expecting your warm embrace. But something is wrong, 'cause it's written all over your face. It hurts so bad when I walk through the door. But you know one damn thing, baby, I ain't coming back no more. No, no, no. Now don't try to tell me things are still the same, yeah. 'Cause when we made love, I heard you call out his name, call out his name. Somebody's sleeping in my bed tonight, baby.
The next artist, if you should hear her talk.
Somebody's sleeping in my
If you should hear her sing and then hear her talk,
somebody's taking
nothing could convince you that it's the same person who sang the song you heard. I said for the next artist, if you hear her sing and then you hear her talk,
every little thing that you need,
there is nothing that could convince you that that is the same person you heard singing before. CBS, you're on point. You do know who the artist is. What them know about them big tune?
There's no reason why we should be apart. Oh baby, 'cause searching for something not there will lead to lonely hearts, to lonely hearts.
Bad piece of tune this. Terrible tune them, man.
Undeniable that we should be together. It's unbelievable how I used to say that I'd fall never.
To all the ladies out there,
The basis is neat.
if you know somebody with whom you think you should be with,
How I feel.
this is for you.
Then let me show you
If there is somebody out there
for real.
that you secretly and quietly think you should be with,
All things and
this one is for you.
will reveal.
Sure.
Yeah.
I miss that one.
You're like a dream come true.
Miss it too. Listen.
Just wanna be with you.
Big tune I for pull up and I want my team. Munchie says she a big up teddy bear. I could have who that. I don't know. Somebody who give her comfort, man.
Undeniable
Bad joke.
that we should be together. It's unbelievable how I used to say that I'd fall never. The basis is need to know. If you don't know just how I feel, then let me show you now that I'm for real. If all things in time will reveal. Yeah. One, you're like a dream come true. Two, just wanna be with you. Three, girl, it's plain to see that you're the only one for me. And four, repeat steps 1 through 3. 5, make you fall in love with me. If ever I believe my work is done, then I start back at 1. Yeah, yeah. So incredible the way things work themselves out. And all emotional once you
And I'm gonna play about 3 or 4 more, and then we call it a night.
undesirable.
Again, I want to say thank you to one and all for all your support over the years, and indeed your support for what is the subject of tonight's gathering, which is the achievement of 100,000 followers right here. I want to say big thank you.
Cause 1, you're like a dream come true. 2, just wanna be with you. 3, girl, it's plain to see that you're the only one for me. And 4, repeat steps 1 through 3. 5, make you fall in love with me. If ever I believe my work is done, then I start back. Say farewell to the dark of night. I see the coming of the sun. I feel like a little child whose life has just begun. You came and breathed new life into this lonely heart of mine. You threw out the lifeline just in the nick of time. You're like a dream come true. 2, just wanna be with you. 3, girl, it's plain to see that you're the only one for me. And 4, repeat
The next song I want to dedicate to those
fall in love with me.
who don't mind not being too extra when certain things are going on. But you certainly appreciate mixing up the things sometime, you know. Yeah, man, the next song of the people, you're not a fan of monotony. And you just want to mix up the things sometime and put a little spice in the thing, you know. And do look of something, you know. And do so also something where the next day when you wake up, you don't even want to talk about it, you know. Yeah, sometimes, you know, someone do all some things and the way you want to go hard and do the something with them. And when you done, you go in the bathroom and stand up and looking at the mirror.
Ashamed?
No, not ashamed, but I can't believe I do them so. I want to start beg God forgiveness. And I wonder if we're not going to go heaven. Because I can't believe what you just do. And then also, not you can't believe it, but you not take responsibility for it. You not blame Mr. Man. You have to look how I make him go make me do them. Jesus God, I can't.
You're not ashamed of that?
No, I'm not shame. It's not shame.
How would you call it?
No, man. Shame is when like you really, really regret it. That you do something bad. That a shame.
It sound like to me.
No, this sound like me can't believe something do it. Because this is what we are talking about, you know. You see what people really shame about. After a while, them not do it, you know. But you have some people do some things with them claims that them nothing do. And every time them do it, them say, I'm not do it again, I'm not do it again. Do it again. And then they go back, go do it again and whatever. When them in the middle, like them in their mind, it I can't believe somebody had do it again. So them no shame. Yeah, it's hard. Jesus God, see that. No, see, somebody type it. Somebody type it. I'm most licious, you know. You know, Jimmy, you know, say licious. Licious look like she a real deal with certain things. No man, Licious looks like alright. So, yeah man, that one yeah. Yeah, go for your notebook and no, come when Licious come on at school, you're gone, man. Yes. Yeah. So that one I dedicated to the people, you do the something with them. And you don't even want to think about it the next day. Come in your mind when you remember what you're doing. I need to find something to do. I need to find something. Another one day. Oh, that reach up this and that man want to play. Right, yeah? No man, another Monica. This. Free me, baby. Let me pick you up and down till you say stop. Hold on. Freak me, baby. Let me lick you up and down till you say stop. 'Cause tonight, baby, I want to get freaky with you. Free me, baby. Oh, yeah. Free me, baby. Just like that. Free me, baby. Oh, yeah. Free me, baby. Let me pick you up and down till you say stop. Let me play with your body, baby, make you real hot. Let me do all the things you want me to do. 'Cause tonight, baby.
'Cause tonight, baby, I wanna get freaky with you. Baby, don't you understand? I wanna be an estimate.
Oh my genius said, let me do the things.
Bomba! Then you will know just what I mean. 24 karat gold. Don't want the night to go.
Chrissy said, Raga, him living my head rent free. Chrissy love have somebody, you know. Do remember, Ragabash. Everybody in here say I forgot Ragabash. I want the whole town to come a birthday party. Whipped cream.
Spread it on.
Yeah, that whipped cream something there.
You know I can't resist you, girl. I'll fly you all around the world. I wanna see your body tremble. Come on, let me take a sip. So come what you cherish most. 'Cause when I brag, I like to brag most.
Every time I close my eyes, wake up feeling so horny. I can't get you out of my mind. Sexy, you be all I see. I would give anything just to make you understand me. I don't give a damn about nothing else. Freaking you is all I need.
Hey, I want to ratted song this, you know, Jimmy.
You know,
You know, yeah, the dog say anytime him shut in here and wake up honey, and him not give a damn about anything else. He just freaking the woman. No, sir. I want a man like that, them woman I want, you know, the TamFam ladies, them want, you know.
Listen, Mr. I'll be a kid Texas tonight.
No. Dress up that. It's not careless. I know you don't mean nothing by that, but wrong word choice. Say revealing. You know, I have to protect my ladies, them, you know. Okay, I have to protect my ladies, them, all right? But we have to play back on me, that freak song. Mm-hmm. I big up the man, them who, you know, proudly say to the ladies, them want to freak them, you know? That's something there. Mrs. Apple? Mrs. Apple. Yeah, green apple. Your turn. Or you're ripe. Which one? I always say if you turn, we a Jamaica talk that, you know, that mean half way, you know, you like you want half freak, but not full freak, you know. And when Jamaica say the mango turn, you know, say it not green, but it not ripe. You know what I'm saying? So you're green, you turn, you're ripe. What you do? Apple, talk to me. Talk to me. You still up on the tree or you drop off?
I'ma close my eyes, wake up feeling so horny. I can't get you out of my mind. Sexy, you be all I see. I would give anything just to make you understand me. I don't give a damn about nothing else. Freaking you is all I need. I need your body. Tell you I would give it, baby. You want to say, you got my mind. You got my mind. All I wanna do is freak you. Must I say?
3 more to go before we call it a night.
What must I do?
Ragabash. Saturday, September 20th. Amazura Queens. Get your tickets. Send me a message if you want to buy your tickets from me. That's a big respect to all of the subscribers, them and thing large up on the The next song, this woman, she was somewhat of a one-hit wonder. I mean, she sung some other songs, but they didn't really hit. But when this song came out, people, I'm telling you, I had like the biggest crush on her. Like the biggest crush on her. So much so that I not lie, like more time in the bathroom and I think about her, like, you know? Like more time when I beard and I think about her, you know? You know? A way back when, you know, a long time still, you know. A long time, but more time, I tell you, somebody just have the biggest crush on her. That more time in the bathroom, the way I have a crush on her, I go beard when I not have a beard, so that I can't think about her, you know, and you know.
I think there's some reasons.
No, go in a dirty boy. We don't go from here, so man. I don't know no recent, man. I'm back in the day when, you know, I dead over her, you know, Jimmy. Like proper dead over her, man. Me I tell a dream about her and all. You know when you're young and you have crush and all them something, man. Yeah. Me tell you some me love this girl, man. But I'm glad me never meet her because you know me meet her and she want to clown me out through the win. Yeah, should I win? Should I win? I'm with all go on gangster and should I look at me and say, what you going? See, I go like, you know what, come here. I'm gonna say, okay. Oh, watch that woman here, man. Yeah. Her name is Adina Howard. Oh, and by the way, the song is called Freak Like Me. We have another subscriber, Karen Robin.
On the line, I got a little freakiness inside. Let you know that the man has got to deal with it. I don't care what they say. I'm not about to pay nobody's way. Cause it's all about the dog in me. I want a freak in the morning, a freak in the evening, just like me. I need a roughneck nigga that can satisfy me, just for me. If you are that kind of man, cause I'm that kind of girl. I got a freaky secret, everybody sing, cause we don't give a damn about a thing. Cause I will be a freak until the day, until the dawn.
You know, say Joe, we can get 2 more subscribers in the night and put it at 60. Now pressure on us still. Somebody post it in the chat. We're not greedy. We take our time and we're patient.
Just for me, if you are that kind of man, cause I'm that kind of girl. I gotta
Cheryl said last night she was playing in the bed. What do you mean by that, Cheryl? Do you wanna get freaky with me? Adina, do you wanna get freaky with me? Alright, now the 2 songs them we're gonna close out the night with right now. 2 of my favorite songs them and thing, and it's from the same artist, both of the songs them, but I tell you 2 of the greatest songs ever made, you know. So I give thanks to them, you know. And well, one of them is a duet, you know. But that's 2 of the greatest tune ever make. And you talk about talent, you know, and again, no disrespect, but that song there don't exist anymore. People don't really sing them way, and people don't really make music them way.
Fox.
Karen Robin who says, Raga, I didn't have to subscribe after the way you rock my world tonight. Oh, really now? Yeah. I rocked your world, Karen. I did. And I know, you know, you're fairly demanding person, you know. Yeah, so if I manage to rock your world and thing, and old school talk, pop your collar. Yeah, you know, all the flowers there, you see me? You understand? All right. Again, these are two of my favorite songs from the same artist and thing and whatever, you know. Two more. Winding down. We will on the one. Foreplay is important. Play is important. But you know what is also important? Afterplay. Woman, remember, you know, if you afterplay, turn up, you see me?
You know I'm no beginner.
My
Heart's been to the wall. I'm a tried and true romantic.
Who's seen and done it all.
Who's seen and done it all.
But when
you walked into my life, suddenly I knew all the love I had inside
was leading me to you.
In my time, I've lived in love so much. Through each high and low, I let my heart be touched. In my time, there isn't much I've missed. I've seen love come and go.
Sure, but heaven knows.
I've never loved like this in my time.
After all that I've been through, I still love you.
I'm in love.
I love you.
I've won some
and I've lost some. But the streamers don't complain. We keep reaching.
We keep reaching out for passion.
No matter
what the pain. When I looked into your eyes,
it all fell into place.
It all fell into place.
I found what I was searching for. Shining in your face.
Shining in your face.
Sing no Teddy.
In my time, I've lived in love so much. Through each high and low, I let my heart be touched. In my time, there isn't much I've missed. I've seen love come and go, but heaven knows I've never loved like this in my time. After all that I've been through,
I'm in love with you.
I'm in love with you. In my time, I lived in love so much. Through each high and low, I let my heart be touched. In my time, there isn't much I miss. I've seen love come and go, but heaven knows I've never loved like this in my time. After all that I've been through, I'm in love with
Yeah, man, them songs you have to play out, man, you see.
When you play these songs,
yeah,
you can actually listen. You get me?
I'm telling you, man, a big tune.
Some people probably see me like this and say,
yeah.
I listen to the word. If people familiar with me stream know me, I listen to word, tone, power.
Yeah.
Certain songs.
Yeah.
Listen.
Yeah. And then, you see the thing, this is both a reflective song That song you layered, right? Because it's reflective, it's reminiscing, but it's reminiscing in a way to put, it's taking the entire past of the person, the entire history, and saying all that history, everything I've gone through, you are the prize from all of that. You understand?
Even add up to what
It's kind of like I went through all of that to end up Yasso with you, and you're that woman there. I say, you are it, you understand? It's like when we meet you, when we link, when we think whatever, me did I forgot you all of that. But there, so with you make all of that make sense. Even the hard time and the tough time and whatever. It's like, and that journey they did for lead to you.
Combination of all of that is what's happening right now.
Yeah, and when you understand that the end, like the ultimate prize, is usually, for some cultures it's paradise, for some people it's God, and for some people it's heaven, right? That's what enough people live for, enough to ultimately go heaven, because heaven encapsulates everything at the end. So if you have a woman, may I say, Jihano, in my time, I've lived and loved so much. I've been through high and low. I've won some and I've lost some. But us dreamers, we don't complain. We keep reaching out for passion or whatever. And I you, bombard or something. Hey, them tune, them lyrics and you see it produce and the music and Teddy sit down on the rhythm, and know, because them man they sing with feeling, Remember I said Teddy know if he sing song and all bad up people, You ever hear when Teddy sing the song, turn off the lights, there's a part in the song where him say, turn it off. Right? There's a part in that song where him say, turn it off. Right, because I'm going to jump up in your belly, right, and thing and whatever, and make you need them touch your ears. That I want that I feel that song there. And when him dip on that song, the man just smooth and whatever the man they sing with feeling and getting at the emotional, in the emotional space and thing and I deliver the thing. And when the man bad like yours, man, me I tell you, man.
No, you want to hear the next one I go play?
Well, you see, next one, I tell you again,
Yeah.
But him alongside another big singer, I dedicate this to my TamFam ladies, them again, you understand? I dedicate to the people them who you're in a relationship or where, you enjoy the person and everything, but like the union is such that when you get a hug from the person, it just feels magical and you feel safe and you feel secure. This applies to man too, if you have somebody who, when you all go through some stress out there in the world, all in your mind is for just there around that person there, because not for sort out or nothing, but you just know so when you're there around that person there, you're going to feel better because that person they make you feel good. That person they make, the stress in our life and all them something they make it worth it, how in Jamaica, we have our local saying when certain we see some people that live somewhere, we say, them not nothing to live for. Yeah, then can do that kind of have a damn thing to live for, whatever. But if you can deal with somebody who, remember, Raga always say, nobody can make anybody happy, you have to make yourself happy. But if you deal with a person that who the view them flow with you, they make yourself happy, They make yourself can be vulnerable around them and thing. Whether you're a man or a woman and thing, Yeah, that one there, I for own, If you have somebody like that where just a hold and you feel good, a hold that person,
Yeah, just a little hold.
Yeah.
A thought.
Yeah, just a thought.
Just
But
a
for the
thought.
song, me I talk about the whole.
The whole.
No. Americans would say like, do you need a hug? That's something they like, are you straight? Come here, let me give you a hug type of thing. Whatever, like to Look at that time, whatever, with her 8-year-old self, like stress attack. I mean, she a play some game and the game whap her up and thing and stress attack her and like, baby girl, you want a hug? Come let me give you a hug. And she just like, okay. Just hug her and thing and whatever. And she good again. Sometimes you just need a hug. And unfortunately, the way we were raised in Jamaica as men, you know, we weren't raised to appreciate, yeah, you know, can I get a hug? Like, you know, the Jamaica, well, working class Jamaica, where we come from. Uptown people different. But where we come from, like, the hug something that we never grew up with or something there, you know. And if you do that, you know, people hold you in a suspicion like, where am depend?
Yeah, I mean, I love because it's very serious.
Yeah, but
before you play a song, I want to interject something.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody will listen because it applies to the context where I speak. If you get a chance, look up a song named Can a Man Cry? Artist named Jalil. It's a reggae song.
Okay.
Can a Man Cry?
Can a Man Cry?
Yeah, man, we played it a couple of times and it's a real revealing song, you know?
All right, man, I check it out.
Can a Man Cry?
Man, I check it out.
Anyways,
Man, I
back
check
to your
it out.
story.
Yeah. See, yeah, you know, men being vulnerable and being, you know, we don't want you be too vulnerable where, you know, you're not stand up like a man. But man, a human being too, and then the other thing, you know, Jimmy, is like a lot of Jamaican women don't know how to deal with men when they're in that space. A lot of Jamaican women don't know how to deal with men when, you know, that big strong man, you know, want to be vulnerable with his woman. Them don't know how to deal with it because them want him for, you know, them want him to be the alpha male there all the time, you know. So Ellie come in and say, which handsome DJ this?
Oh, them not say.
All right, so Ellie, I go switch this for a second for you look on Jimmy and then we'll come back, all right? So Ellie, there is Jimmy, all right? That's Jimmy Q, Ellie, all right? Okay. Since Ellie wants to see you. So, I dedicate that one here to people them who appreciate, say, yeah, good sort out, you know, whatever, and things like that. And, you know, yeah, that's good.
All right,
but even better is when you have that person, then when you get a hug from that person, you feel good. You know? You just in them space. You don't even talk to them. From them then near you feel good, or you want to visit them. You know, or you know, no problem. I fly from one side of the country to the next side of the country to be with that person because you just want a dose of that person there, you know, to kind of center you again and balance you again and all that something there, you know. Yeah. And even I have that something there, you can see about getting it. It's a good thing. It's something good to have, you know? It's something good to have. In the meantime.
Hold you.
Nope. I want to go on here, so no.
Fix it, Raga.
Yeah. Man, that come off too fast a while ago.
I'll hold you and touch you and make you my woman. I'll give you my love with sweet surrender. Tonight our hearts will beat as one, and I will hold you, touch you, make you my woman tonight.
There's something in your eyes I see, a pure and simple honesty.
Hold me in your arms tonight. Fill my
Let's not waste this precious time. This moment's ours to treasure. Hold me in your arms tonight. We'll make it last forever. When the morning sun appears, we'll find our way together.
I believe you
When you
say that you love me. Know that I won't take you for granted. Tonight the magic has begun. So won't you hold me, touch me, make me your woman tonight.
There's something in your eyes I see. I won't betray your trust in me. Hold me in your arms tonight. Fill my life with pleasure. Let's not waste this precious time. This moment's ours to treasure. Hold me in your arms tonight. We'll make it last forever. When the morning sun appears,
You're most welcome, Yvonne. You're most welcome.
we'll find our way together. I'll hold you and touch you. Make you my woman tonight. Hold me in your arms tonight. Feel my life. There's something in your eyes I see. Let's not waste this precious time. This moment's ours to treasure. Hold me in your arms tonight. We'll make it last forever.
Something in your eyes I see.
When the morning
Tantalizing says, good night, Ragga, I can't take no more. I'm Jimmy HRH, Christine, shout out to you.
hold me in your arms tonight.
True, this is Ragga, come play my piano.
Feel my life. There's something in your eyes I
Careful, you know, Trudy.
Let's not
These fingers can play some notes, girl.
precious time. This moment's ours to treasure. Hold me in your arms.
Ragabas, September 20th, my birthday party, Amazura. Alright, I have a look at brata phone again. It's just a one brata for the TamFam ladies, them and thing, you know. I know say sometime on a thing, say I know the fullness of my rate to know and thing and love on have every social media platform I go upon. And we look upon the demographics, you know, the metrics on the back end. It's always 65 to 70% of women follow Ragga. Always, you know. Ladies, I'm always in my corner, man, and things, see. And I say anything bad about me on the road and thing around the ladies, them and thing. And I war, you see me?
Rep, support.
You see it, we give thanks to that, you know. That's why when the man them a beat me, I don't pay them no mind, you know. Because you see, from the ladies, them have, you know, back, the man them a come anywhere. And when them a cussing, them still a them still a war, they remember, because the woman them, yeah, because the woman them there, they want me to you. You see, Corona Harris said, I meant to say hi, Raga. What do you mean you meant to say? Did you write something wrong? Oh, she write, hi, Rafa. Now, man, get that all the way, man. Don't worry yourself, man. All right. And to all of you saying you love the show, big up on yourself and things. So, all I want to think, so I want to know the extent to which Raga rate and love on my ladies and things. Yo, I don't even like no. I don't think I don't know the fullness of it. You hear me, I say?
Well, I never pause it. You know what's that?
Eh?
Favorite song is.
For real?
No joke.
Bad tune, you know, man. The Queen,
Yeah.
man. She have it locked, man.
Nah,
Yeah,
not
tell
even
me.
that. That song I wrote me one time with you in. Be tears and everything.
Oh, for real? Oh, look at you.
Yeah, that's man.
No, man. Them song you when, you know, and you really rate and love somebody and thing, and them don't even know the fullness of it and thing. You understand?
You understand?
No, you know, sometimes
You're not going into that.
me, I had difficulty understanding how people can love somebody who don't love them. Because I'm not like that.
Well,
But I had difficulty understanding it, particularly if somebody I treat them bad. And some people mistake that and think it's love when it can be several other things which we're not getting to and whatever. But put those several other things aside, because you do have toxic traumatic stuff where people think they're in love when it's not love, you know, it's just some kind of enabling codependency on some sort of addiction to something bad and not good and whatever, and they need to resolve that in themselves, because it's not about the person treating them bad, but they don't know how to do that. But separate from that, you do have people who they would experience certain qualities from a person which were good. The qualities were indeed good.
Yeah.
And they fell in love with those qualities. But then them experience other qualities which are just bad. And them can't let go the facts that them did experience that good, you know, and them say no, but it in them somewhere, you know, and it's like, if only you knew how much I love you and whatever, you'd even over your start treat me with the bad things, them, and them just a focus on the good things them what the person do for them, what they do for them or them did make them feel at some point, and them now let it go in the face of the reality of the bad thing with the person and do. And I some understand those people, you know.
Yeah, it sucks, Raga, because sometimes they do know, and that's why they might take advantage and deal with what they might deal with them.
No, I know that from those people, but me I thought the people them who claim, who they are the victims, they are the ones who are get the bad treatment, they're the ones who's doing everything for this person, and the person turning around and treat them like crap. But what I'm saying, I couldn't understand it because it don't make no sense to me. Me not blood clot love nobody who not treat me good or not love me. That not happen. That not happen. Not in my cabinet. You're free to treat me or you want to treat me and think. Then it's me now to say, okay, we're not staying here. It's kind of unhealthy here. You understand what I say? Yeah, but what I'm saying is, I reached a point, my analysis matured when I began to understand those people, why they're doing it. Because they had incredible experiences with the person, and you know, at some point or during a period or so forth, and thing, and because they know that it's in there. But to your point, you know, like the real good manipulators, they know how to do that.
Oh yeah.
They know how to.
It's like
the popular term for the popular term for it now is to love bomb you.
Oh yeah.
That is a term. Yeah. You know, they love bomb you. Like you have people who set out to do that, you know, love bomb you, lock you in and thing. And then after that, them just reveal a bad side, but them know them have your hook.
Yeah, and with all of that, you keep coming back, trying to find that, and you never find it back.
No, even worse are the people who do both things at the same time. They might do the good and the bad at the same time and that cause confusion. Me not confused now, you know. Me not confused. Not no. I mean, like about 25, 30 years ago, I ended up walking in the rain for hours barefoot in Kingston.
As I said to you earlier,
No, but that not happen. No, that not happen. No.
let it rest.
Yeah, but me does I say big respect to my TamFam ladies, them and thing, and just know say Raga love and rate and appreciate the support and thing, alright? And you may think you know the depth of the respect when me have phone, but no, you don't know. Hold that tune and down the backside.
Man, goosebumps time, Christine. Party now.
I must have rehearsed my lines 1,000 times until I had them memorized. But when I get up the nerve to tell you the words, just never seem to come out right. Only you knew how much I do love you. Only you knew how much I do need you. I dream of moments we share, but you're not there. I'm living in a fantasy, 'cause you don't even suspect. Could probably care less about the changes I've been going through. Only you knew how much I do.
Big up all of the Jamaicans who understand the following. The rest of the world rock to slow songs like this.
Only you knew how much I do need.
But when Jamaicans get down, this is how they rock to slow song. Hold on. Somebody said, pull it. No, Jamaicans, they're not easy, you know. No, the rest of the world just rocks, you know. We extra, you know. You know, so it's a standard thing that is a coded thing that in our movement. Jamaicans, and you know, the pelvis affair, yeah, that look something that look at double time, something that the Jamaican, they can't stop with. You see? Again, big thank you, people, for the 100,000 followers and thing. Big up on yourself, see?
You the applause button in it. You got it.
Yeah.
The applause button.
Oh, well.
Round of applause. You know, I know it.
No, matter, but you know, in the bank.
Have rehearsed my lines 1,000 times until I had them memorized. But when I get up the nerve to tell you the words, just never seem to come out right. Only you knew how much I do love you. Only you knew how much I
No, Carol, I'll not be here tomorrow night, okay?
need you.
Can't come every night.
I dream.
Well, I take that back that I can't come every night, but I can't come on the show every night. Just now I said I can't come every night, but I can't come on the show every night.
'Cause you don't even suspect. Could probably care less
By the way, I'm just joking.
Only
And I want there was no woman who want me to come every night.
how much I do love you.
Some nights are good.
Only you knew
Some nights, let's just cuddle and watch old movies.
I
And we the two have a reason and run joke with each other. When the two of us lay down and talk about how Jimmy pop though. Alright, you know the famous Jamaican thing.
don't even
Just lay down and bust two bump, man.
could probably about the changes I've been
Jimmy HRH, I have a message for you. She said if you leave the door open.
how much I do.
Big up all of the women them over here who at some point to climb through a window for man. Don't deny it. Big up all of the women them over here at some point to jump fence for man. Big up all of the women them over here at some point to their house back with man. Big up all of the women them out here at some point to do it a bush. On a hug a tree. I wanna spread banana leaf on the ground. One party la behind. Carol, I'm going to take that as a compliment. Carol Lee, she says, Raga, you have gone into the memory box. Hey, Jimmy, a big man compliment them there, you know. I don't look a young girl, compliment them there, you know. A big man compliment them there, you know.
Grown folks.
Yeah, grown folks, something like that. No, man, I know pian, something, I know fenke, something as we would have say, you understand? I know pian. People are over get pian, fenke from. And things, see? Carolee, big up yourself. No, man. Anti-flawless, behave yourself and go to your bed, but give us the on my own, no, whatever, this and that. You're satisfied. All right, people, big up on yourself. Thank you again. This was so much fun, you know, and of course, you know, Jimmy enjoyed this, I enjoy it, and if you enjoy what you do, the recipients of what you're putting out will enjoy it too. You have a call and answer, and that element of reciprocity, because when you're in entertainment or even in sales and stuff like that, in truth, you know, you're not selling a product. I mean, you are, because nobody want to buy something that not work. Yeah. But people more appreciate you when you know that you are dispensing a feeling. Yep. You know, it means more to people the way you make them feel. Yeah, man. That's why sometimes Jimmy, some woman, you know, we all meet a man who make them feel good and make them feel empowered and all them things and whatever, and just make them feel alive to take over the world. But in broke, I'm not gonna win, and I'm not gonna win. And then them just like, why do I love this guy? Like, and I just want to be around him all the time. And yeah, can I make you feel good? It's a good company, you know.
Right. There's a psychological thing that people use in sales called mirroring.
Yeah.
It's
mirroring. Oh, yeah. I'm familiar with mirroring.
Yeah, so they feed off your energy.
Yeah. But it's a feeling. It's a feeling. So much so that somebody will perform And them just full of confidence and, not think about embarrassment. Them a throw them all the night. And you feel it. And you enjoy it. All when them not sing good.
Even as a DJ, if you're up there, you're bored,
Yeah.
the crowd are bored.
Yeah.
I look on you, them are saying, look bored.
Yeah, that's true. Because them feel it. Them a feel you.
Yeah,
Them a feel you. That's why Jamaican entertainers, them know how to go up on stage and go on with a something and thing and make you feel them right. Capleton and them people, them have it lacking them, man. Luciano and thing, them know how to go on with the something them and you feel them because them just throw themselves. Yeah. But it's the same thing with relationships, That's why sometimes somebody will say all of the right things, but you feel say there is some dissonance. I'm sorry to be using that big word. There is some there's a vacuum. There's a vacuum between the right things that come out of their mouth and what you feel from them. You just feel say, hey, this don't feel right. They must say the right thing, but it just don't feel right, So there's a disconnect there because you feel it. Trudy says, thanks for this lovely wet up night, Raga and Jimmy Q. Okay.
Trudy, big up.
All right, Trudy, big up. And you notice a Dilly Dally not here.
Yeah.
Jesus God. No, I just hope she had like a life raft or something, You know what I'm saying? She might have dilly dally down to Atlantis, deep down. All right, people, take care of yourself. Blessings and respect. Oh wow, we've been here for more than 4 hours. All right, people, take care of yourself. Thanks again for hanging out. Jimmy, big up yourself, brother. All right, blessings, man. Respect and honor, man. All right, all TamFamers. Blessings and respect. See you guys on Monday. All right, love you too, Tass. Blessings.